Hello everyone and welcome and good morning. Okay, and this is 24th December morning 10 a.m. and we are conducting a very first workshop which is for the cloud computing. What exactly we are going to do in this today's session of 2.5 hours, we are going to learn live in front of you guys. Okay, so what exactly the agenda is, we have a full course that is AWS plus DevOps. If you want to become a cloud engineer, if you want to become your career into the DevOps, into the AWS or into the cloud, then this is the step you have to take it. If you are not aware about the cloud computing, if you are not aware about the Linux, you cannot become a cloud engineer at all. So this is the step which we are going to today. And if you will decide it, you want to become a DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, we are here for you. Okay, that's the agenda. And for that, what exactly it is, you have to come to our website. In our website, as straightforward mentioned very clearly, online live step-by-step AWS and DevOps e-learning platform. Online, I'm in front of you. Online means I will be always live in front of you. Okay, live step by step, whatever has to be learned, that all things we are going to teach you step by step. And we will mentor you with the real-time cloud as well as DevOps technology with the real-time projects as well. Okay, and where is the agenda? Very first question will come. Okay, this is a step towards the AWS and DevOps. Where is the agenda? The agenda is also very open in front of us. You can see here, you can come to the website, come little bit down, and you will see here the click here for the complete syllabus. As soon as you will open this, the complete syllabus will be opened, what you have to learn or what we are going to teach to you to become a DevOps engineer. Okay, because here cloud computing, if you will become a cloud computing engineer, nothing will happen. If you will become a Linux admin person, it will be only good to come into the technical side, but it will not give you the good pay. You have to become a DevOps engineer or a cloud engineer to earn the money. Okay, and how you will earn it, we have to learn all these things. Okay, means we have a DevOps agenda kind of thing. What all things on which day we are going to learn, this all details are available in this. If you want, you can make a bookmark also this link. It will be very helpful for you. Plus, I'm coming to my website again. In a high level, I'm going to explain what all things we have to learn it. This is the roadmap, okay, for our batch. Here 30 plus real-time practicals are there. Means whatever we are teaching the theory, practicals will also be there. Live projects also there. As soon as we will complete this all things, there will be a project. Okay, 3 real-time projects are there. Very first project is completely on the DevOps tool, that is a CI/CD. Second is a project on the Kubernetes for the e-commerce website. Third project is completely on AWS, where 40 plus different applications or 40 plus different services we are going to create on the AWS cloud with the help of automation, with the help of automation tool Terraform. Okay, these are the 3 projects which we are going to do in this duration of 2.5 months. Okay, on which day, what we are going to learn, this all details are already available in this place. This link is already available in our website. Okay, cool. Plus, what all things we are going to teach, means how to become a DevOps engineer, how to become a cloud engineer. Very first is first module, that is a DevOps foundation. You have to understand about the DevOps things, what exactly the DevOps is, and that you will be aware in by today or by tomorrow. Okay, most of the things we will cover up in the day 1 and day 2 as well. Okay, on the workshop day. Plus, we are going to start the Linux administration activities as well. What exactly the Linux is, why the Linux is very popular, why you have to learn the Linux. If anyone from here raise the hand, let me know that why you have to learn the Linux. Can anyone give this answer to me? Unmute and please let me know. Unmute. And Shiva, you want to say? Yes, go ahead, Shiva.
So when we are connecting the EC2 instances, we need basic commands.
Correct. When you are connecting any of the server, okay, leave EC2. When you are connecting any of the server, most of the servers are available into the Linux. So in simple term, if I will tell you, if you want to come into the technical side of the IT, technical person, you have to understand the Linux. And Linux can be learned with the help of training. You cannot learn Linux or you cannot perform the activity directly using the Linux, because you have to understand the commands or understand the activities of the Linux. Then only you can able to perform the work, or you can able to do the activities on the Linux platform. That all things we are going to teach here. Okay, means within a first week we will make you the Linux admin person. Whatever is your non-technical activities you are doing it within a 1 week of duration, you will become a technical person by learning all these things. Okay, cool. And after that we will start our actual thing, that is the AWS. Guys, I need a very basic answer. What is AWS? Very basic answer, very basic and simple. Who want to give? Raise your hand. Lokesh, you want to?
Sir, Amazon Web Services.
Amazon Web Service. What exactly the Amazon Web Services is? Very simple. I need a very simple answer. Go ahead, please explain.
It is a cloud services.
It is a cloud services. It's a cloud provider. He is providing us services to us. There are 200 plus services is available with AWS. We are going to use their services with the help of cloud computing technology, and that is a provider, and we are going to use their services. That is AWS. Okay, means we can create a servers, machine, resources, and their services. That all services are very popular, and if you want to become a cloud engineer, you have to learn all these things. Yes, and we are going to teach you the top 10 plus 15 services on the AWS platform itself. Okay, what all services? All details will be available here, which we are going to start in the next week itself. Okay, so here is the details, which all services on which day we are going to learn. Plus, as soon as you understood the platform, okay, as soon as you understood the services, okay, if you want to become more technical person, okay, or you want to earn the money, okay, or only AWS will not help you out to perform the activity, because with the help of AWS you have to pay everywhere a rent. Okay, means all services are chargeable on AWS, and every company is not directly using the AWS services or any cloud services. They want to use the open source technologies. Can anyone give me the answer? What is open source? Anyone here who can understood what is open source or what is DevOps tools?
It's a kind of a platform which can adopt all the like environment.
All the tools we can say for automation.
Yeah.
In simple language. Guys, anyone
Yeah.
else? Anyone else? Anyone else want to say what exactly the DevOps is? Very simple. I need a very simple answer. No one? Then I have to teach. Okay, I will teach that. No need to worry. Okay, what exactly? We are going to learn the top DevOps tools, which are open source, freely available, and which every DevOps engineer has to learn. That all things we are going to teach you with the help of CI and CD, means with the help of Git, Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes, mostly for the experienced person. For the automation, Ansible and Terraform. And for monitoring all the infrastructure, we are going to teach you the Prometheus, Grafana, as well as the automation with the help of Helm. Means here, all these tools, installation, configuration, how to work into the real time. With the practicals, we are going to teach you all these tools. Okay. Then, if you want to become more technical person, anyone has any question? Shiva, you can raise your hand down if you don't want to say anything. Raise your hand if anyone have any question. Shiva only. Yes, Shiva, go ahead.
So we are using the tools, right?
Yes.
So what are the tools we are going to cover in this basic?
No basic. Okay. First, we will start our journey with the Git and Jenkins. Okay. What all things we are going to learn into the Git and Jenkins? Git, GitHub overview, how to write a code, how to clone the code, how to push the code, how the developer work with the help of Git tools. Okay. And GitHub. Then we will come into the Jenkins. All the details with practicals are available here. Means around 10 days we will spend on Git and Jenkins. Means around 10 practicals we are going to do with the help of Git and Jenkins. Okay. Then we will come into the another tool, Docker and Kubernetes. To understand a Docker, I will teach a virtual machine first. To understand a Kubernetes virtual machine and Docker, you will understand, then you will very easily understand the Kubernetes as well. And Kubernetes, we are learn on the most powerful tool that is on Google Cloud, GKE engine. Okay, that we are going to teach to you. That also has been clearly mentioned here, that first we will teach the virtual machine, then we will come into the Docker, then we will see the installation, architecture, basic command, image creation, containers, and all these things. Plus, then we will come into the Kubernetes, and Kubernetes, especially for the experienced student. Let's assume you have a 3 years experience, 5 years experience, then you will understand this and you will able to perform the activity very easily because you have worked into the Kubernetes, you perform the practicals, plus you perform the project as well. Okay, that project is completely on the Kubernetes. Okay, you can see here, it's on the Kubernetes cluster. So the Kubernetes will be completely came in your life. Okay, then we are going into the automation part. That is the Ansible and Terraform. Anyone here who can give me the answer for Ansible? If you are aware, if you are not aware, I will give the answer. If you are aware, give the answer. What is Ansible?
It's a configuration management tool.
Correct. What is the use of this tool? Configuration management is okay. What is the benefit?
So within one system, we can enable to access the other systems.
That's okay. That's also okay. But I need a better answer.
Sir, sir, can I tell? This is Vijay.
Yeah, Vijay, go ahead, Vijay, please.
For example, I will say like a practical thing. If
Yes.
I want to install a same software in multiple computers, then I will use Ansible.
Correct. See, the requirement is, let's assume you have to install Python in one machine. Okay. You can log into the machine and you can run the command and you can do it. Right. If I will give you 5 machines that, okay, install Python in all the 5 machines. Okay. You will log in one by one in every machine. You will install, you will verify it, and you will tell at the end of the day, sir, I have installed Python in all the 5 machines. Agree? Yes or no? Guys, everyone, please unmute and say yes or no.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right. For 5 machine or 10 machine, 10 machine, you will take full day and you will say, sir, I have did the work. Okay. If I will give you 100 machines, is that possible? You can perform the activity, same Python installation in all the 100 machine. No, you cannot perform. If it's a 100 machine, it's okay. Thousands machine, or if you will, anyone heard about the company Netflix? Everyone heard about the company Netflix, right? They are using millions of containers, half millions of container per day. Is that possible? You can perform the activity on 500,000 containers every day by human being? Practically not possible. That's why we have to perform the things with the help of automation. So Ansible will help me out to install Python in 100 or 1000 machine in a one shot. Okay, with a one click, a small code, and it will perform the activity. Vijay, this is only you want to say? Where is Vijay?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah.
Cool, good. Okay, chalo. Next is Terraform. What is the use of Terraform? Simple answer. I need a very simple, because if you will understand the basic, you will perform the big things as well. If your roots are not clear, your basics are not clear, it will be very difficult. With the help of Terraform, I can create a complete infrastructure. Means similar like Netflix, similar like any of the e-commerce website. With the single click of a small coding or a small parts, we can connect with that, and with the help of Terraform, everything will be generated. Yes, we are going to teach that also. Plus, we have a project that is completely on AWS with the help of Terraform, which we are going to do on the day 51 when you are become a very big mature person, okay, into the cloud and DevOps. Plus, we are going to teach you that Terraform is also especially for the experienced person. That is also we are going to teach to you guys. Okay. Plus, when you create a complete infra, monitoring will be required. Guys, very simple answer I need. What is monitoring and why monitoring is required with you guys? I want to know.
Sir,
Yeah.
Vijay from this side again.
Go ahead.
After installing a software or a product on a client system, we need to monitor continuously whether it is working perfectly or not.
Correct. Whatever we have created it, let's assume you created this website, this website is working properly or not, right? So you will do the monitoring of your servers. Correct. And that also, it's not manual. We are going to teach you with the Prometheus, Grafana as well. Okay. Plus, one day will come, that is your day, student choice. Okay. You can choose any of the topic, in this 40 days, you face some interviews. Okay. You thought that Splunk is asking in the interview, or whatever the topic you feel that Azure DevOps is people are asking, or whatever you feel that, sir, we want to learn this topic, either AWS Lambda, any of the AWS service, you want to learn any of the new language, YAML language, you want to learn the AWS DevOps, that is also okay. You want to understand the migration, you want to understand, go into any of the topic very deeply, that is also acceptable. You can say to us that, sir, we would like to learn this part extra. Okay, that we will take 1, 2, 3, whatever the days are required, we will take that also, and we are going to teach to you as well. Okay, that is a student choice, straightforward, very simple. Whatever you face interview that this topic is asking, okay, because after learning this, there may be chances you went for some other interview kind of thing, right? And they ask something extra or something new, you can bring in front of everyone in our batch. We will understand, we will take the voting. Yes, you want to learn? Yes, I will prepare that topic, or I will bring someone to explain to you in a very deeper way with the practical. Okay, that also we will take care. Then little bit of Python or little bit of bash scripting to become a DevOps engineer. We don't want to make a developer. To become a DevOps engineer, whatever is required, we are going to teach to you as well. We are going to teach the practicals as well. Then you are ready. We'll make your resumes. Okay, we'll make your resume on the day 42. We'll make the resume preparation, tips and tricks. Every weekend, every Wednesday, 9 p.m., we have a mock interview. Everyone from the group can give the mock interviews multiple times to prepare yourself, and then you can come, or then we will provide you multiple projects as well, 3 projects from here. If you feel that you want to write something more as well, we will provide you some more projects as well. And then you can write everything into your resume. You can explain to me, you can explain to my interviewers as well, and then you can go to give the real-time interview as well. And as soon as you are knowledgeable, I will provide you the interview questions as well, whatever the questions are going to be asked, which has been asked by most of the previous team or previous experience. You can take care, you can understand that interview questions as well, and then you can go for the interview and crack the interview and make a happy success story for us. Okay, and weekly mock interviews will be there, bi-weekly student presentation. Okay, mock interviews every Wednesday 9 p.m. we have a mock interview. Bi-weekly student presentation. Some presentations are already in my YouTube channel as well. You can come here, what my student has learned in the 30 days. Okay, means as soon as you will complete, sorry, as soon as you will come into what we can say into the batch, something means every 30 days you will learn something, right? So you can see what my students has learned with me in the 30 days. Okay, you can see this 2.5 hours video or 2 hour 10 minutes video. At least you will understand that how much my students have learned in 30 days with us. Okay, must check, please guys, must check it. Okay, I'm sharing this link so that you will be aware that after 30 days, how many things you are going to learn with us. Okay, and everything is from the syllabus, means you learn something, you are providing a KT, or you are sharing your knowledge. You will get a confidence when you will speak in front of everyone. Okay, and then if you are able to speak in front of everyone, you are able to speak in front of interviewer, and you will crack the interview and you will get a job very easily. And we have created lots of success story. You can see all that detail also in our YouTube channel. Where is that student success story? You can go here. Sorry. You can see the playlist. In the playlist, you can see there are lots of students who get a job with us. Okay, and that all details are also available in our website. You can come here, you can click on the reviews. Okay, as soon as you will click on the reviews, you can see here what students talk about us. Okay, you can click in this link and you will get to know that what all playlists are available, what all students are telling about us. All the details will be here. Plus live recording of some previous batches also here. Okay, means if you want to go with the recordings of the previous batch, you can come here. Day 1, day 2 live sessions, all some more classes will be here. You can see the order, like 4, 5 classes are available here. Then after joining 30 days, means 30 days completed, then what they have learned it. Okay, presentation and how they get the offer. Okay, that all details are available. How non-tech fresher plays into the Paytm and HIPLA. You can see his story. I'm not speaking anything. They are only speaking in front of everyone that, sir, I did this, I learned this thing, and I'm at this point, I'm here. After some couple of months, see, this is 3 months ago, 2 months ago, means after 1 month, again, I'm talking with my student. I discussed a lot of things. I given some tips and tricks. And again, I asked where you are. So they are telling that, sir, we have a 7 of us, we have a 8 of us, like that. All the details will be available here. All these things are already, some things are already on YouTube. You can see in this place as well. Correct. And yeah, like that, very straightforward, simple. And some success stories are also here. You can have a look into this place. Okay. Plus some students has provided some feedback. If you don't know anything about us, just check this 2-minute video. You will get to know that what we are doing it. Okay. And as well as some more success stories are already available in our reviews page. You can have a look into this. Okay, cool. Chalo, I think we are good with that. Let's start our journey for today.
Sir, this is Vijay from this side.
Yeah, Vijay, go ahead.
I had 2 questions, sir.
Go ahead, please.
Sorry if I'm asking too much questions to you.
No worries, no worries. See, if
Okay.
you will ask the question, then only your doubts will get clear, right? Then only you will be able to achieve the things.
Yeah. The first question is here in DevOps, there are a lot of tools are there, right?
Yep, correct.
So, for example, now I was learning some kind of Prometheus or and Git and Jenkins like that from you.
Okay,
As it seems like you are very knowledgeable guy. Okay.
correct.
After
Okay.
it will take, I think, from my mind, I was an average learner, so it will take almost 60 days to learn these tools.
Yep, correct. Not to one tool, okay? All tools 60
All
days.
tools, all tools.
Yes. So we have a journey of 60 days. I'm not telling I'm going to teach today everything.
So
Okay?
my
You can
question
see,
is,
Vijay,
yeah,
you can see the syllabus, okay?
yes, sir.
Slowly we will learn, okay?
Yeah.
And within us, you are telling 60 days. Yes, we are telling, yes, 60 days will be required.
Yeah.
And don't trust me, okay? Don't trust me. I will show you the batch 27 playlist. Okay, this is the batch 27 playlist where all the day-wise days videos are there. See, some extra videos, some mock interview videos, plus account creation AWS, account creation of AWS, GCP account creation, day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All the days are here. You can see here, come down, 34, 35, 36, 60, 35, 40, 45, and 48 classes are there at least. Okay. Plus some more, how to create a Naukri profile. That also we discussed. So that is the extra class. Interview discussion, tips and tricks, resume profile update. Okay. That is the extra class. All the project 2, project 3, project 1, all the 3 projects are extra class. Okay, resume making, Naukri profile, workshop, all the workshops are extra. Means you can say more than 60 plus classes will go live, which is of 1.5 hours. Every minute you can see here, it's a 464 minute video, right? 466 MB video. So you can understand that, yeah, videos has a size, means definitely it's a long classes, right?
Sir, so my question is,
Yep.
for example, I had learned Jenkins and Prometheus from you.
Correct. Okay.
After 60 days, these 2 tools are replaced by another new tools.
No, who told? Git is never replaced from the last 10 years. Jenkins is never replaced by from the last 10 years.
What my question is, for example, if I learned a Docker or something, one tool I learned from you, I had
Docker is the single competitor. There is no competitor for Docker. Docker will never get replaced.
So if in case, if it got, for example, TeamCity is there before coming
Jenkins is already outdated. TeamCity, very rare people are using it. What I told, I am going to teach you the top tools. Okay, top AWS services, top DevOps tools. Okay, if you will see this point, okay, let me explain.
So, sir, so my question is, so now these tools are trending, so I will learn this. For example, now Jenkins is trending, you will teach Jenkins.
Jenkins is trending from the last 10 years, okay, not now.
Fine, sir. For example, take one tool I learned from you, but after 60 days, this tool is replaced by another new tool.
Vijay, I think you are an experienced person. Tell
no,
me,
sir, no.
Little bit. You are aware about the things, okay? That is good. Tell me any of the tool which is going to be replaced from your understanding. Tell me any of the tools.
You only said for TeamCity, no one is using. Now Jenkins are using.
We never teach TeamCity, never into the DevOps training. Okay. No, so, you don't see. If you learn the Jenkins, TeamCity will be very straightforward, understandable.
So my question is straightforward. The question is, I learned a tool from you, but after learning, when I attended the interview, at that time, a new tool came and replaced my tool. Then how can I get that new tool knowledge? See, your question answer is already here. Okay. There are lots of DevOps tools are there. And what we have to learn it, I already choose it.
this is the top tools, you can say that this is going to be replaced. I will leave this job. Okay, it's not possible, buddy, that any of these tools are getting replaced very easily. It's practically not possible. Okay, these tools, if you let assume you learn the Git, okay, you learn the you are going to use the big bucket. Are you okay, Vijay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you concepts are always very similar, okay, with the advanced feature, if something will come, definitely it will get replaced. Okay, but the thing is, if you understood good Git, you will able to understand, or you are able to work into the bit bucket very easily. Let assume you know driving. If you learn the driving with the help of Alto 800, you are able to run the Santro i10. Yes or no?
Yeah, of course, because the car is changed, not my driving skill, right?
So that's the thing. If the tool get changed, not your skills. Skills are always there. Concept is very similar. Yes or no? Every year, the car model is getting changed, right? Every 2 years, every year Santro or Alto is bringing the new model something. Do you think that it's 100% change? No. Skills will be same. Little bit UI features, names may get changed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But if you know the driving, you can drive any of the car.
Thanks for this wonderful answer, sir. It will fill my confidence levels, because I was in a situation of fear that I was learning this Linux, I was learning this Git. In future, if another new tool came in place of Git, how can I migrate? I don't know the knowledge.
Vijay, whatever is your experience, we will add that experience. You will learn this thing, and then you will go for a big package. Okay, that we are making, that we will do it. Okay, chalo, no worries. I will take your questions at the last, because some more students will be get bored. Okay, but it's a clear answer for everyone. Okay, cool. Let's start our journey, guys. We are going to learn the things with the 9 modules. Online 50-60 hours of the live instruction based classes. Instruction means I will be in front of with the camera, my hands will be like this, I will perform the practical in front of you in my screen, and all the things will be there. 40% theory will be there, because you have to understand the things. 60% practicals will be there. Plus we will start the things from very basic. Very basic means we will understand the cloud computing, we will understand the Linux, then only we will go into the AWS, and then we will learn the DevOps tools. Assignments will be there. We are using the Google Classroom platform. Okay, that is GOOGLE Classroom. Where is Classroom? CLASS. Yeah, classroom.google.com. We are using this platform. In this platform, you can see all the batches, the students are giving the platform, or are giving the, what we can say, assignments here. Okay, you can see classwork, whatever the practicals we are performing into the real time, all the practicals are performed by the students as well, and students will be getting the marks as well. No need to see the marks, but everyone person is getting the marks as well. Like that, all the details will be available into the Google Classroom as well. Okay, means we are going to provide the assignments to you, which you are going to perform on the Google Classroom. Okay, lifetime, all the real-time projects, you will get it with the code, with everything, whatever you required. Workshop will be there, interview preparation will be there, resume making, and everything we will take care. Interview calls also, we will provide it. Multiple reasons, we will provide you with the internal, we are getting the openings from our clients or HRs, from our previous placed student, we are getting it. I am getting lots of referrals. Every company is hiring the DevOps as well as cloud engineers. I have around thousands of students who are always telling that, okay, sir, I have an opening in this company. I will provide you the direct contact with them. They will refer you and you will get a call. Otherwise, what exactly it is, we will upload our resume into the Naukri profile with the proper algorithm. Means if you are uploading your profile without proper algorithm, you will not get a call. If you will upload your profile with the proper keywords, proper understanding with the projects, how the HR search the resume, if you will upload in that way, you will get lots of calls. If you want to see how many students are getting how many calls, you can have a look into this video. Okay, not my video. Okay, you can see here batch 25 meet and greet this session. Okay, in this you will see that how many students are getting how many calls. If you will see these videos, you will get a lot of things about us. Plus everything, whatever you have to become a AWS plus DevOps, we will take care. And no worries, guys. I will take care of all your questions. Just bear with me for the next 30 days, 30 minutes. Okay, and you will understand everything. What, why, when, how, where. Like Vijay has a question, I will take care of all the questions at the end of the today's session. Okay, no worries. We are 24 hours community. Okay, means I can say that some students are directly connecting with me on the WhatsApp as well. You can see me, I will show you. The students are posting a question at 3 a.m., 2 a.m., and we are giving the answer as well. I'm just opening my WhatsApp here. Okay, you can see here yesterday night only some student around 2 p.m. or 3 a.m. kind of thing, they are pinging me. And yes, you can see here someone. Good night. Okay, see, yeah, good night. 3 a.m. Okay, 3 a.m. I'm getting a message from. It's coming up new. Thank you with the get bash. Okay, means some 3 a.m. some student has posted a question to me. This is my batch 28 student. Yeah, it will be like that only. You don't have to worry. We are providing the WhatsApp support as well. This is direct my number. You can always or anytime message me. Okay, plus we are providing the community support. Community support means we have a Facebook group where we have a 50,000 members. You can post your questions directly into the Facebook group and you will get an answer from the 50,000 or 1,000, 2,000 plus DevOps engineers are already they're trained working into big MNCs. You will get the answer. I will show my WhatsApp Facebook group as well. All the recordings, lectures, documents, PPTs for a lifetime. You can see here, these are batches. Okay, these are the Google Drives which we have created for every student. We are providing you the access from here. All the students will get access like this. Okay, they can always, and you just have to bookmark this page and everything will come into your drive and you can have a look of these videos for a lifetime. Plus all the PPTs. Okay, let me go to the PPTs. Okay, whatever the PPTs I'm going to explain to you guys. Okay, all the PPTs in a proper format will be available here. See, dummy or actual resume, some dummy or actual resume for your preparation of your resume. Okay, you can download and you can use it. Some ebooks for the extra knowledge. Okay, like 300 interview questions, auto scaling, AWS basics, AWS concepts, short answers for all the services, cloud computing notes, kind of thing. Means these are the from the internet, I get it from somewhere. Okay, and these are the handwritten kind of note which are very easy to understand. That also we are going to provide it to you so that you can understand the things in a very easy way. Okay, we are going to explain everything, plus we are providing this type of notes as well. All PPT, you can tell me any of the PPT from my syllabus, I will open in front of you and I will show that. Plus we are providing this type of handwritten note, very simple notes kind of thing. Okay, for every topic there is a very simple notes for your understanding. That will be good, right? If you will understand with the handwritten notes, it will be very good, right? So we are providing that also for every topic. Some pictorial pictures are there. Okay, so that understanding will be very easy and it will be very simple for you to understand the things or keep the things. Remember, we are providing that type of ebooks as well. Plus every module, guys, can you tell me any of the day that sir, I want to see the PPT of this day? Any day, guys, please unmute and tell me. Anyone? Anyone, please?
Can you repeat the question again?
See, Vijay, my question is, you can say that, sir, I want to see the PPT of this day, how the things are. I will show that to you right away.
Docker then.
Docker. Okay, cool. Vijay want to see the Docker PPT. Okay, I'm going to my drive. Okay, and how we will start any of the topic. Okay, before starting a Docker, see, let me go for the Docker PPT. Yeah, here is my Docker PPT. Okay, the module 5. And as soon as we will start any of the topic, first we will show you like that what all things we are going to cover. Just give a second. Yeah. Okay, what all things we are going to cover means directly jump. We will not directly jump into the Docker itself. First, we will teach you virtualization. We will teach you the virtual machine, how the virtual machine has been created, advantage, disadvantage, problem, and then how many ways we can create a virtual machine, hypervisor, shipping challenge, and what was the problem came. That's why the Docker came into the market. Okay, and then we will start teaching the Docker. We will start with the Docker introduction, nodes, why required, shipping, containers, developer, and all these things will come into the picture. If you will see here, we will start with the practicals, all the application, 3 applications which we are going to create with the help of Docker. Okay, like that. And then we will start virtual machine. Okay, advantage, disadvantage, how to virtual machine has been created, multiple ways. Okay, and then we will come into the actual problem, and then the problem will be there. That's why the solution came with the help of Docker. Okay, in a very simple way, guys, movement of machine from one environment to another was the problem. Okay, let's assume you want to move from one city to another city. How you will move? With your house items. Guys, give me very general question. This is very general question.
Packers and movers.
Packers and movers. Okay, you will take the packers and movers and you will move it. One option. Agree. Okay. How packers movers will make your thing safe? They will make a container, right? They will put everything into the containers. Means for small goods in your house, like kitchen item, everything into the same box, right? 4-5 box for the kitchen item. For bedroom items, 4-5 box. For hall or dining room, all the small item. Same approach we are going to use it, and everything into the big container. We will pack it, and then we will move from one city to another, right? Earlier, what was happening? One items was moving. In terms of our website development, one items was moving, and that's the problem was happening with our development or operation environment, and that has been packed. Means now what will happen? With the help of container, we are packing every software, every application, binary libraries into the single container, and we are moving it so that ready-made things are available and our items are not getting damaged. Our items means our software related items, static website, web, front end, back end, user, database, queues, all these things we are going to understand. Then we will come into the Docker part, and then we will start our Docker things. Okay, Docker, what exactly the Docker is, Docker related installation kind of activities, approach 1, approach 2, approach 3, then all the things, Docker commands, lot of things, architecture, image creation, image container creation, and so many things we are going to learn in this Docker journey. Vijay, you understood the thing?
Yeah, yes, sir. Fantastic presentation.
Okay, as well as then Docker files will be there. What will be your role to learn the Docker, right? Developer and DevOps people will write the Docker file, then they will build it, and then operation people will run it, kind of thing. And as soon as we will complete it, then our next topic will get start. That this is the part of Docker has been completed. Now, chalo, let's move into the Kubernetes. Okay, we will go in this way. Okay, cool. So that every topic is created like this, so that you will understand a lot. 40% theory, 60% practical. Plus all the tips and tricks. Whenever we are discussing, we will provide you the tips and tricks, training certificate for if you have any gap, non-technical experience, we'll provide you the training certificate. You can fulfill it. Resume making, whatever the tips and tricks are required, we will help you out with the resume preparation, mock interviews, and then you will come into you will give the mock interviews, or you will give the real interviews to the real MNCs as well. Okay. We are Cloud DevOps Hub. We have a Facebook group. This Facebook group is a big community of DevOps engineer. And here we can say that how many members are here? Members, people. Okay. You can see here around 53,000 members are here, and this person is me who is managing this group. Okay, we are the person who is managing this group, and all the discussions are happening here. And these are the 53,000 DevOps engineers is our big group. Okay, cool. As well as we are providing the 24 community support. Okay, if you face any of the problem, you can post the things into our WhatsApp groups. You can see, as well as I will show you how our WhatsApp groups are there. This is our batch. Okay, see here, batch 28. Like that, we are starting our workshop. See, I'm always messaging, we are starting, let's join. And whatever the students are facing the problem, they can ask the question into this type of groups. Okay, and these are the small groups we are creating it for the sharing the knowledge as well. Okay, cool, guys. And the biggest benefit we are providing to you, if you missed any of the live classes, okay, let's assume you missed the live class. So what you can do, because there are multiple reasons you can miss the class, like you are into the shift, you are unable to make it in the next 1 month or 15 days, you are going out, or whatever is the reason. If you miss any of our live sessions, you can have a look into the recordings, or you can come to any other batch anytime. Like that, from this group also, lots of students are there who are joining me again and again. I have one person in this group. Can you, Brijal? Unmute. Brijal, you are here, right? And Who else is the repeating person here? Hey, Brijal, you are here. Yes or no? He is not unmuting. Chalo, leave it. But yeah, Brijal is my old student. He is repeating the batch 28 also. Yes, they can repeat it. Okay. And I'm the 11 years professional. What we can say into the DevOps as well as the cloud activities as well. Okay. As well as we are providing you the preparation for the interviews, career growth, tips and tricks, everything, whatever is required. Okay. And welcome. We are starting our journey for the DevOps and AWS. Why I'm calling is a journey, because it's a learning, as Vijay was telling that if we learn something, new tools came, so yes, that can be happen, practically possible. But if you know the skills, if you have the skills, you can pick any little bit things also, it will be very good for you. Okay. And we are going to learn the DevOps tools and their operation on AWS. The reason behind I'm telling this, because open source tools we are going to learn. Harish, mute yourself. Open source tools we are going to learn, and we are going to teach their operations on the AWS cloud. Means AWS is a platform. We are going to run the open source tools, and then we will learn the things. Okay. If you will learn only AWS, everything, for every activity or every service, you have to pay a rent. And every company is not ready to pay a rent, because rent is getting increased day by days. People want to make their own infra. So what they are doing with the help of DevOps tool, they are making own infra with the open source tool. Okay. So we are also doing the same thing. We are going to learn the DevOps tools and their operation, installation, maintenance, configuration, everything on the AWS cloud. It's a challenging journey. Yes, multiple tools are there, but the course is created very accordingly. Means this course has been created based on your learnings as well, because we will start our journey with the very basic learning of Linux, then we will go into the AWS. It will be very straightforward. Okay. Plus it's a basic knowledge of IT. If you have, it will be very good. Otherwise, we are going to explain each and everything from the basics. You don't have to worry. And we will cover up all the top DevOps tools as well as the top AWS services, which are used by every company or most of the companies. Freshers and IT beginners, you are also welcome, because it will be for you, it will take a time, but it's a journey. It's not a race. You don't have to complete it in a 1 month or 2 months, right? You have to learn the things. You have to enhance your knowledge every time, and then every year or after 2-3 years, you will switch the company and your career will be growth. Okay. You are doing or you are learning the things with the practicals and assignments. That's the key learning technology which we are using it. Okay. Means you are doing the practicals, you are doing the assignments with us. Okay. 40% theory with 60% practicals, or what we can say scenarios, real-time experience, understanding, which we are going to do it. Cool. For joining us, it doesn't require any pre-request. We will start our journey from absolute beginning, means from the very starting, we are performing the things. No knowledge of AWS or no knowledge of cloud computing or cloud knowledge is required. Nothing is required from your side. Okay. If you have, that will be good. But we will provide you the enough knowledge and the real-time scenarios on the DevOps tools as well as on the cloud services. Everything we are going to provide it to you. Our primary intention of teaching or the learning is we will make a small community with you, a small WhatsApp group for every batch, like we have already created batch 28, batch 27. See here how the things are. Congratulations. If you will see here, every time what we are getting this, see, I attended 3 interviews and got selected in 2 companies, like to KPMG and TCS. This is not today. This is happened on Tuesday. I message, wow, congratulations. It's very nice, really. What profile you got it? He told that if he get a senior DevOps engineer profile, and like this. Anyone here from the batch 27 in this group? Guys, anyone from the batch 27 here? No one is telling anything. Okay, I know Brajal is here. Okay, see here, I will show you. Brajal Singh, batch 27. Okay, and Brajal is here also. Brajal, unmute yourself. At least say something.
I think he did not have his tiffin.
Okay, chalo, leave it. Yeah, see, you can see that there are lots of congratulations, and everywhere we are getting lots of offers we are getting every time. And you can see the group is completely of congratulations. We created a new group. Yes, let's in some couple of days things will happen here also. Okay. And we will create a success story for batch 27 as well very soon. And this person who already got placed, you can see his success story already there. Okay. Batch 27. Yeah, see here. Batch 27. You can go here and let me
This,
mute. Okay. And you can see here, where is the Utkarsh? Yeah, see here, Utkarsh. Okay. 3.5 years support engineer role, course confidence and knowledge, which we have created on 6/11/2022. Around 1 month back, he was telling that he is very confident with the course, and yeah, he got a job some 3-4 days back. He posted into the group, right? And there are lots of students, Utkarsh, okay, and so many others like Meghna, and so many other students got placed with us. And listen his story, everything with him. Okay, I'm not telling anything. You can listen the story into the YouTube. It's already there. Cool. Where is my PPT? Yep. We will small group, and we are going to learn the things. Okay. And it's a journey. It will definitely take a time. Cool. And about me, I'm Vikas. I have a decades, means I can say around 11 years of experience. I'm certified into the Kubernetes. I'm certified into the multiple clouds as well. AWS and GCP are my primary cloud where I'm primarily working. Okay. As well as I know Azure as well, means Azure DevOps. Around 2 projects I have completed on the Azure DevOps as well, but I never give any training kind of thing. So I'm not feeling that Azure is for me, AWS, and I'm happy with the AWS and GCP. So I'm the architect for that. And I'm a Kubernetes certified as well. I have completed my CKD around 2 years back. Plus, I have a Red Hat certification around 8 years or 7 years back. I did it. I'm the senior DevOps cloud architect in one of the big MNC. I'm the corporate trainer. You may see me in some of the corporate training as well. From the last 8 years, I'm providing the trainings for the real-time employees as well. Let's assume you join one of the big MNC. In the big MNC, the big cloud or project is coming. You need a knowledge of that. So I am maybe your trainer. I provided the 8 hours of 5 days training to you into your company as well. Okay. But at this point, everything is online. So I'm telling that we are taking care of cloud, what we can say corporate trainings on hourly basis as well. Plus, I'm your mentor. Like for all the batches, whatever the success stories are there, I will be the only mentor. Okay. I publish multiple articles, blogs. You can see some lot of places. Okay. Cool. And guys, any question regarding this?
Sir, this is Vijay again.
Yeah, Vijay, go ahead.
I don't think I am meeting your brain like that.
No worries.
I was a non-IT guy. I don't know any programming knowledge. I don't know logical thinking. I don't know that palindrome or the other programs. I don't know anything.
Okay.
Can I survive in DevOps without having coding knowledge?
Okay, cool. No worries. Vijay, your name is Vijay. How much is your experience as a non-technical also?
I am a non-technical. I was having 3 years experience.
3 years experience. Okay. But you want to come into the cloud or DevOps?
Yeah, yes, sir. Basically, my seniors who got trained on DevOps, they went to abroad and they settled there with their wives. So
Vijay,
I
you
also
already have the answer. Why you are asking the same question with me? You can do it or not? Yes, you can do it. Your seniors or your friends already did it.
but they're IT guys, sir. I was a non-IT guy.
See, 3 years back only there were the IT guys, right? What you need a 3 years. You have only 3 years of gap of the non-technical or technical. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Agree?
Yes.
I'm going to teach you this knowledge. If you will understand this all things, you can say you have a more than 3 years of technical experience. Whoever went abroad, you can ask with him. Anyone who is working into the real time of AWS and DevOps, give the syllabus to him and verify that is this enough. He can say it's more than enough for your learning. For 3 years or for more than 4 years also, you can write in your resume and you are able to give the answers. Is that okay, Vijay?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. See, in the real time, let's assume you are into the IT or you are into the support engineer role. So what you will do the Linux related activities. That all things we are going to teach in the next 7 days. It makes sense?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Cool. Okay, Vijay, what I want you, at least watch some of my videos into the YouTube. You will get a very good confidence. Okay, cool. Yep. Yeah, this all things are already there. Now the question is, who can become a DevOps engineer? Any support engineer or any IT operation engineer, you are already working into the ops. If you will see the keyword DevOps, development plus operation activities. Okay, ops is already there. Okay, means you are into any of the technical roles or technical support engineer, you are already operation engineer. You just have to learn the DevOps tool and you will become a DevOps engineer. One thing. Okay. Second, manual testers can also become a DevOps engineer because you are already into the development part. You see the development very closely. You are not writing the code, but you know what is their process, how they are doing the things. You are testing their code as well, right? So if you will learn the DevOps tools, you can come into the DevOps role. Linux admin or any of the administration person, you are already an operation, you are already handling the servers manually. If you will run the same activity with the help of tool, yes, you can become a DevOps engineer very easily. Any automation engineer or any of the developer can come very easily into the DevOps. You just have to learn the DevOps tool and you will become a DevOps engineer. Automation engineer, you are already doing the scripting. You are already using some automation tools for making the things. And that is the role of DevOps. Network engineer, yes, networking is also there. I'm also going to teach the networking. Where is the networking? Yeah, here is the networking part. This 2 days, we are going to teach lots of networking related to the AWS. And yes, if you already have experience, your experience will be broad here and you will become a DevOps engineer. Same thing, fresher also. If you are a fresher, you don't know anything. If you will learn the technical things, your career will be good. Okay, means after 2 years, after 3 years, you will get a package that much, which the 10-year of doing the support activity person will not get it. So why I'm taking the freshers also into the base, the reason is if you will learn the things from the starting, okay, if you learn the things from the starting, you will be into the very good place after 2 years. Otherwise, what will happen? You will make your career as a support engineer or a network engineer role only, and that is not a good. Okay, you will be into the 24/7 support role only. If you will come here, you will be into the good reputed profile that is a DevOps. Any non-technical person also can come because you will consider as a fresher. You will bring your experience, whatever is your 2 years, 3 years old experience. Okay, you will put it. Whatever I'm going to teach, we will convert everything into the technical resume. You are going to give the technical answers and you will become a technical person. Vijay, it makes sense? Yes or no?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, whatever is your experience, if you will write 3 projects with this knowledge, you will become a technical person. Who knows? You are telling that you are a non-technical person. If you will tell that you are working in the product support, we have to understand. We have to say that yes, you are working into the product support because you know the things, you know the answers. Correct? So from today, Vijay, at least understand the Linux and don't say you are into the non-technical profile. Okay, you came into the Linux support administration role at least. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, if you need, see, you will join me or not join, it's okay. If you need any help, let me know, ping me on the WhatsApp, one thing. Secondly, if you need any of the pre-recorded videos, my old videos, if you need it, let me know, I will help you out. Okay, so that at least you will enhance yourself. Cool.
This is for not only for me or to
everyone, not for you, everyone. Okay, everyone is a student for me.
Hi guys, sir is giving the videos so we can learn DevOps.
Yeah, definitely, it's not a big deal. Okay, because see, it's already pre-recorded. I'm not selling my pre-recorded videos. Okay, I will charge only for the live classes. Okay, no need to worry. Cool. Yep. And guys, some frequent ask question. Ajay, you have any question? Yeah, go ahead. You are unmuting. Anyone has any question?
Yeah, sir, actually, if you are joining the course, we will be getting like lifetimes access tools.
Yep, definitely. Lifetime access of this PPT, videos, recording, everything.
No, like that will be okay, but I'm asking the tools for in the practice purpose.
Tools means you will create an account. You will create an account on AWS, right? And
yes.
AWS is your account. We are not giving any tools. Okay, we will teach you how to download the tool, how to install the tool.
Okay.
Okay?
I got it.
You don't have to purchase anything from anywhere. We will create a free AWS account that will be free for the next 1 year with your account, with your name, with your email address. You can perform all the practicals directly on AWS cloud itself.
Okay.
Ajay bro, actually Sar said before itself it is like open source, right? So
Correct.
everyone can use it.
Correct. Open source, the key tool itself is you can download from the internet and you can use it. You don't require me at all in the tool dependency. For learning purpose, yes, you need me.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Cool. Good.
Sir, some of the guy asked you to post the number in chat, I think.
Yep.
See.
It's already my number is on the website. I think you already joined me, means you already know me. You came to my website. Here is my number, 9993445100. You can message me. I will show my WhatsApp. Okay. This is my number.
Hi, sir. This
999
is Jay Balan.
445100. Yeah, Jalban, go ahead.
Hi, Jay Balan.
Jai Balan, go ahead.
Actually, you conducting any mock interview after this course?
Yep. Yes, see, that is every Wednesday, 9 p.m. Anyone from any of the batch can come. Is that okay? Anyone from any of the batch can come and give the mock interview. Not at all a problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay. It's a first and first serves. Okay. Means whoever is coming on the first, he will get a first opportunity, because for the current batch, we will schedule it 30 minutes time for everyone, one person. Okay. For 30 minutes. And if you will be from the old batch, yes, you can come at the end around 10:30 also, 4-5 students later on, and you can listen the others interview. It will be helpful. Plus you can give your interview around 10 p.m. kind of thing. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Someone has messaged me. I don't know. Very first time. Who is this?
Sir, it's me, Chandrasekhar.
Yeah, Chandu, it's my number only. Okay. Just a verification.
Yes, sir. Please, can you share those recorded videos?
Yep,
So
yep,
it will
I
be
can.
helpful.
See, you have to give me your email address. I will give you the access. No worries.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello. Actually, sir, I have one more question.
Yeah, Jalan,
Actually-
take your question at the last.
Okay, sir.
Okay, one question. Go ahead. What's your question? Go ahead. Right away, please.
No, sir. Till my placement, will you support me in?
See, you will get a placement. What you are doing at this point? Can you help me out?
Yes. I am a senior support engineer, sir.
You are already a support engineer. How much is your experience?
Yes.
How much
Sorry,
is
sir.
how much is your experience?
9 years.
Man,
No,
why
sir.
you-
I am new to the cloud. Okay, I am working in different technology. I am
That's
new
okay.
to the cloud, so I don't have exposure on cloud and DevOps.
That's
So,
okay. See, what's your 9-year experience? Can you help me out, please? What you know in
Linux,
the last
Hadoop,
9 years?
Hadoop, Linux.
Okay, you are already aware the Linux, right? Good, very
Yes,
good.
yes,
How's your expertise level? You are able to perform the activities?
yes.
Cool, good. Yeah, what else you know?
Hadoop, sir.
Hadoop, okay. What else? Anything else extra? You know?
MySQL, shell scripting.
That's too good, man. You can very easily you can come into the DevOps. You don't have to much worry. Okay, you are already a Linux. You have to add your cloud into your life. Okay, as Hadoop is there, Hadoop plus we can set that cloud. Your Hadoop is into the cloud. We can add it like that. Okay, plus you are performing the activity with the help of open source tools, and very easily you can make the things. And I will support.
No, sir.
You
The
don't have to
thing
worry.
is, actually, I got okay. Actually, why I asked this question is I already 9 years experience in Hadoop. I already worked in many projects. Okay.
Hmm.
This I am new to AWS and DevOps. I don't have
Agree.
exposure in live project.
I agree. Absolutely agree. See, you don't
Yes, sir.
have, but see, after learning, you will get a live exposure into the live projects. Agree?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes,
And
sir. Yes.
you will not say that you did the 3-month training. You will say that you are doing the things from the last 3 years because you have the experience. Yes or no? You
Okay.
already know Linux. If you know some more tools, you can say that you are working from the last 3 years into this part.
Okay.
Right? Then you are not.
Okay.
Then you are not a new.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Cool. Good. Okay. Cool. And guys, we have already started our batch on 12th of December. Okay. Around 8 classes happen, which we are covering on the weekend workshop. Okay. We will cover all these things over the weekend workshop if you will join me. Okay. And we have a class timing that is 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST, always Monday to Friday. Okay. This is the time where we have a classroom classes. Okay. 50 hours, 2.5 months of the journey for this syllabus. Plus 100% placement assistant, community support, multiple internal referrals, you will get it. Interview preparation, resume making, training certificate. If you miss any of the class, you can cover up by joining the next batch as well. I can show this part as well. Okay. In the batch 28, some old students already joined me. You can see here, Jatin, batch 26, all are 28 students, but he missed the classes. So I put it as a into the batch 28 as well. You don't have to pay the fees again. Okay. Only one time you have to pay the fees, and you can join the another batch also if you missed it. Okay. And no
Sir,
coding.
is there any weekend classes?
At this point, we don't have weekend. Okay. The
Okay.
reason is our course is very big. Okay. And weekend classes will go for 3-4 months kind of thing. Okay. At this point, no, but yeah, definitely I'm going to start in the next month. Okay, that
Okay.
batch will run little bit long, but see, if we will connect, as you have you are migrating your journey, right? If you will connect every day, you will learn the things every day, you can revise the things every day, and you will be very strong into the concept. That's why we are focusing primarily on the regular batch, because most of the profiles are the migration profile from non-tech to tech or from tech to the DevOps, right? And weekend connectivity will be less effective than the regular connectivity. Agree with my point, Ajay?
That will be agree, sir. But actually, we are going to work now, so
Correct. See, that's why we are
that's why
keeping
I'm
the
asking.
batch early morning. Okay,
Okay,
early morning. If
okay.
you want, see, if my student will say that, sir, 8 a.m. is not very good, we want to make it 7 a.m. Yes, we can make it.
Okay.
That we can do it. So that by 8:30 you can be ready and you can go.
We can online classes also, right?
It's everything is online.
Okay.
Offline, we are into the Bangalore. If you want
Okay.
to come, but at this point, I'm not taking offline classes. Mostly, I'm taking the online classes only.
Online class. Okay.
Okay. Only single batch one at a time. As soon as this student will start getting placed, then I will create a new batch. Before that, I will not start. Yeah, cool. Yep. No coding, no prior experience required, because we will teach each and everything from the starting or from the basic. You don't have to worry at all. Okay. Cool. Guys, I need some introduction from some students so that I will know my audience. Please raise your hand. Yes, please raise your hand and please introduce yourself so that I will be aware about my students as well. No one want to introduce yourself? Yes, Sayed. Hey, Sayed. Yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah, hi Vikas.
Yep.
Myself Syed Ghaus Muhammad.
Correct. Okay.
I have 2 years of experience in IT.
Okay, cool. Good. What you are doing from the last 2 years?
I have basic knowledge on DevOps.
Cool. Good.
So I need to gain my skills on that. So that's why
Okay.
I'm pursuing this course.
Cool. That's good. Yes, you are welcome. And what's your
Yeah.
expectation with this course?
Yeah, my expectation is
Enough theory
in-
plus practicals?
yeah, I need practical experience.
Correct. Okay, I agree. You will get it for sure. All the details, what all practicals we are performing. I think you attended yesterday class also, right?
Yes.
And you saw the 2-3 practicals, correct?
Yes.
Cool. That's good. That's good. Nice. Anyone else? Yeah. Yes,
Yeah,
Sayed.
that's
Cool. Yep. Sayed, you are welcome to my batch. Okay. Yeah, Jalban.
Thank
Hi, my name is Jay Balan.
Correct.
I am working profession,
Okay.
9+ years experience.
Cool.
I'm working in technologies like Linux, Hadoop,
Very good. Very nice. Yes.
and I want to I wish to learn cloud and DevOps
Yep.
to growth my career.
Obviously. Yes. Definitely. Yes.
Yes, because upcoming future is cloud and DevOps, not other technologies we have, but for 90% of companies are going to use this only in future
Also.
next 10 years.
Correct. I agree.
So I would to study this in practical manner. So I joined this session.
Definitely. See, you are into the right place, Jalban. Okay, you don't have to worry. The beauty of IT is, see, I can 100% say that is you started your career from the Hadoop? Yes or no? From the last
Yes.
9 years?
Yes,
From
yes,
the
yes.
from the 9 years you are Hadoop engineer?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, but what will happen? See, slowly, the beauty of IT, you can learn the new things and you can move into the another part as well, right? The another part means wherever the technology is taking you, you can go into that direction. Support engineer people will come into the testing. From testing, they can come into the development. From development, they can come into the DevOps or cloud like that, right? People will always do. That's the beauty. You don't have to worry. If you will learn the things, you can explain the things into the interview. You will get a job and you will get a real-time exposure as well. And I will give you the enough knowledge. You don't have to worry for that part. Is that okay?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Good. Nice. Okay. Anyone else want to introduce us?
Hi, sir. This is Vijay.
Go ahead, Vijay.
I think you are familiar with my name, right?
I am familiar. No worries.
I am Vijay Kumar, and I have a 3 years of experience in a Java supporting project.
Cool.
Basically, I was a Telugu guy.
Cool. No worries.
So recently, I bought a phone to my mom. It's a Samsung J5, I think.
Okay. Is this relevant?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Go
sir.
ahead.
Because it is relevant to it. And when I was taking the photographs and when I was trying to save it, until that, I don't know about these things. I was a CSC candidate. I had studied my bachelor's in CSC itself.
Okay.
But until that time, I don't know we can store the photos in cloud by using Google Photos.
Yes. Correct.
And this made me to fascinated about what is this? How I was not storing in internal storage and it was storing somewhere else.
Correct. Yes.
And this is called cloud.
Correct. Yes. See, your point, I will correlate. Okay. I will correlate. You can see here. I will teach my things in a very simple way because some students are not aware about that part as well. That you will see into the today's class itself. Okay. I'm just correlating that. Let me open the image. Yeah, say this image. Okay. Connecting a devices with the help of internet connection into the someone else server that is known as cloud for us. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Yeah, continue what you are saying. Yes, it is getting stored into the cloud. Agree.
So I was feel like strange, and my mom is very fair and she don't know anything. But being a technical guy, I feel like a very interesting. I was not giving anything. There is no internal storage. There is no memory card. There is no nothing. But it is storing somewhere else. I simply had given some kind of a mobile data and my mail ID. That's it.
Correct. Absolutely agree. Yes.
And this made me to interesting about to learn this, how it is happening and how this cloud computing.
Correct. Yeah, Vijay, you must have to attend, or everyone must have to attend today's and tomorrow session. I will show you the big picture of DevOps. Okay. If you will see my syllabus, okay, I have a big picture tools of DevOps tool demo. Okay. Definitely on the tomorrow class, I am giving this demo to you and you will be understand that what is the beauty of DevOps or what is the beauty of cloud. You will see into the real time. Okay. Cool. Anyone else? Someone also has the raised hand. Mantesh. Yeah, Mahantesh. Go ahead, please.
Hi, sir.
Yep.
My name is Mahantesh
Yep,
from Karnataka.
Cool.
Yes, sir. I have a bachelor's in electronics and communication and worked 2 years in Bangalore, some company on the Cisco voice platform.
That's good. Okay.
And then 2017, I left my job, sir, because of my some family issues was there.
Okay.
And currently, I'm not working anywhere. Actually, I have 4 years of gap up now.
Okay, that's a bad thing. Okay.
Yes.
How you will cover up means how you are making the answer. You have to make
no, sir. Actually, no, sir.
convincing answer.
As of now, actually, I will join as a fresher only, sir. Actually, because yes, sir. No, actually, I'm actually I don't want to show that fake gap up and all. Actually, I will join now as a fresher only.
Then you don't have to much worry. Okay, you have to get the knowledge. I will help you out how to create a resume.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Actually, I know, like as of now, can I learn this new platform? Actually, before I worked in a Cisco, like you Actually, you know the Cisco guys
Mahesh,
are.
I know. See,
Yeah.
how many openings are there and how many chances you will get the same job again?
Same no sir, actually in that platform also I can't fill my gap up actually.
Correct. If you will
Actually,
start, see, if you will start from the starting with a booming technology where lots of openings are there, it will be very easy for you. Okay,
yes, sir.
whatever you learned it, we will add something here also. Okay, but don't be stay into that, because very rare chances you will get the same profile. If you will get a Cisco voice process again, how much package you will get it? You will get a very less again.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
And that's not at all good. I will encourage you, learn the things which has a demand, which is a demanding into the future as well. And if you will take a step from the today itself, yes, within some couple of months, you will be into the right place.
No, sir. Actually, as a fresher, how much I can accept the package and also from this DevOps?
How much you want as a fresher? Tell me, how much you are expecting? Come into the number straightforward.
Around 6, sir. 6 to 8.
Yes, 5 to 6, you will get it as a fresher. Okay,
Yes,
but see, I will tell you, as a Cisco voice process, after 5 years also, you will not get 5 lakh package.
No, sir. In 2017 only, I had a 8 lakh package. NP level. Actually, I was a L2 level engineer in Cisco.
Then you are coming. Then you are a L2, right?
Yes.
If you will be here, then just start your career with the less package and add everything in some couple of years, and you will ask 15-20 lakh also after 2 years.
Okay, so okay.
Yeah. That we can do. That, yes, you can do it.
Okay.
Yeah, good. Guys, at this point we are good. Okay, I get to know that it's a wider profile. A lot of people are from the that. Haji, I will talk with you at the end. No need to worry, please. Okay.
Sure, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. And guys, the reason is, if you will try to learn the things by own without any prior knowledge, you will mess up the things. The reason behind it, this many tools are available into the market for cloud and DevOps. Which tool, how much, in which way you have to learn, that's a really very important part. Okay, and yes, we have made the things very simple for you, for which activity of DevOps or which phase of DevOps, which tool you have to learn, and which is the most popular, most usable, or most common tool available into the market, that we are going to teach to you. For coding, Python is the primary language which every engineer, or which we can say that if you want to come into the technical side, if you are little bit basics of Python will be aware, it will be very good. My project is on Python. I am not going to teach you the code. It's not at all our business. It's not at all our DevOps business. Okay, running the code with their Python platform, that's our business. We will maintain the code with the help of Git and with the Python. We will build everything on the Linux platform with the Maven tool. Okay, plus we will make the automation with the help of CI/CD with the help of Jenkins tool, and we will complete our project 1, that is with the help of Git, Python, Java, Maven, Apache, Linux, CI/CD, and we will complete our project 1. Okay, second part. Then after coming into this place, we will make the release with the help of Jenkins, means CI/CD we will do with the help of Jenkins. Plus, if we have to deploy or we have to create an environment or containers, we will create with the help of Docker into the AWS environment. If number of containers will be more, we will manage with the help of Kubernetes. Okay. If you will see the Netflix, okay, Netflix number of containers, this many 500,000 of containers are there. It has been developed with the help of Docker, but has to be maintained with the help of another tool, that is a Kubernetes. We are also going to do the same thing. That is our project 2. Third, infra related thing. Okay, infra means automation related things. Yes, we are going to learn with the help of Terraform and Ansible over the AWS. That is our project 3. Means we are going to learn the 3 different projects covering all these tools into a very specific manner. How many days, which tool we have to learn, and how much we have to learn. Because if you will start your journey by own, Kubernetes is never ending. Even Linux is also never ending. You can learn in your whole life, the Linux will not get complete. AWS, if you will learn this all 200 services, the AWS will come up with the 20 new services. So you don't have to learn all the 200 services. You have to learn the top 20 services. That's your business. Agree? Yes or no? I think Vijay, some correlation with your point. Ganesh, Harish, all good? Jyoti?
From my side, nothing is there, but I want this syllabus sheet so that I can know what we are going to learn.
You need, and I already provided to you. Okay, check the chat box.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, cool. And yeah, we will start our from the very basic, that what exactly AWS is, how my sheets, how my things are there. You can see it. Okay. We will start the AWS, that what exactly it is. It's a subsidiary of the company or organization, that is Amazon, which provides on demand. Guys, what is the English meaning of on demand? What is the English meaning of on demand? Can you please unmute and tell me? On demand. What is the English? Jabalan, Mahesh, unmute yourself. Anyone, please. Ganesh, Ibrahim, Jyoti, unmute yourself. These are English. Okay, it's not a tough things. Vishnu, unmute yourself.
Currently, what's going on right now? Trend on demand.
On demand means whatever you need, they will provide it to you.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. In future, whatever we are needing, we are going to know the things.
Correct. On demand, whatever you need on the cloud computing resources and services, they will provide on their platform. Okay, that is a AWS. How to see AWS? AWS is a which we can see on the console. Okay, on the browser, aws.amazon.com. Let's go here. Let's go here. aws.amazon.com/console. As soon as I will land it into this page, this is the very unlogged in page. Okay, very static page. Here we have to log in. I am just logging in the account. As soon as I will log in, it will ask my username and password. I have already saved it. I will help you out how to create an account as well. As soon as you will log in, you will be logged into the AWS account. Okay, means this is the console of AWS. And at this point, I have connected to the Mumbai data center. Okay, means in the AWS, there are lots of data centers are there. Means you are going to use their service on which place. There are lots of different places or different data centers are there. At this point, I have connected to the Mumbai. That is a AP South one. I'm just typing or writing this into my notepad. Okay. And I will change in front of you very easily, guys. It's not a very tough business. Okay. I just write it here. AP South one, that is Mumbai. Right. You can see in my browser AP South one, and I have connected to the Mumbai data center. Agree? Yes or no?
Sir, what happens if I click some New Jersey or Europe location like that?
Tell me where I have to click. Tell me, please.
There it is showing Europe in the
last Europe, Ireland. Okay. At this point, I have connected to Mumbai data center. As soon as you will click on the Ireland or Europe, it gets changed and I have connected to the Europe data center. Okay. You can see here. Now I have connected to the Ireland data center. Okay. Means I can create my resources on Ireland data center as well. That's the beauty of AWS. Means you are connected to the cloud. You are connecting to the cloud, means connecting to the any other data center with a very simple click. You can choose any of the data center. You can click and you can create your resources in the particular region. From here, I can create my machines in any of the region. That's a global infrastructure AWS is providing to us. It makes sense?
Does it matter?
It's
because we are using the cloud computing, right?
It's
so
a matters.
It doesn't matter about the physical availability.
It's a matters because at the end, everything is physical. Don't say that it's a cloud and things are available into the cloud. It's available into somewhere else. We are using someone else's machine.
Exactly. But we are not accessing the physical things. Now we are accessing on cloud.
We are accessing with the help of internet, but everything is physically available. That's why we are able to access it. Haji, everything is physically available in the real time.
Exactly. Okay? What my concern is, everything is available. Like if I am like to connect to data center to Mumbai,
correct.
The physical center is available in Mumbai.
Correct.
If I would like to connect with the Europe, then correct. Europe, there is a data center in Europe as well.
Correct.
But what my concern is, if I'm doing my job on cloud, so whatever the data I have, I'm going to store on the cloud.
You are sitting into the remote location. Okay. That's why you are calling as a cloud. There is no concept of cloud. Okay. Cloud is a something else machine, remote machine, that is known as cloud.
Okay.
Okay. If you will say I'm doing the things into the cloud, means you are doing the things into someone else's machine with the help of internet.
Correct.
Right?
Right.
Right. So at the end, definitely some machine is there. Okay. Definitely some data center is there. Definitely something is there physically, and we are accessing with the help of internet. That's why we are calling as a cloud.
Yes, I completely agree with your point. But what I would like to know, that is my concern, is like as a end user, I do required to like have worried about the data center.
Yes, you have to worry. The reason is, let's assume you are hosting. Guys, everyone listen the question. Okay. Let's assume this is a website which is hosted at this point into the Mumbai data center. Okay. Just listen. Okay. I'm creating a scenario. This is the website which is hosted at this point in the Mumbai region. Anyone from the Australian region, if they will access this website, if my customers are all from the Australian region, if I will host my website on the Mumbai region, is that helpful? No, it will be a slow for them, right? So I have to host my website into the Australian region. That will be more beneficial for my customers or for my client. Yes or no?
So you are saying that for a fast accessibility, right?
Fast accessibility. That's why multiple data centers are there. We have to choose the data center as per our client requirement, as per our customer need. Let's assume all the students are from the US. If I will host my website or all my servers into the India region, it may be little bit slow for them. Yes or no? Haji, yes or no?
Yes, of course.
It will be little bit slow. If I
yes, of course, because the data
center is very far, right? Latency will be high.
Right.
If I will host the same website into the US region, they will be more happy and they will say, yes, it's accessible fast. They're able to perform the activity fastly. They can copy or paste the data very easily in a faster way, right? So that's why multiple global data center regions are there. As per our requirement, we will choose it. I have a technical answer for this also. Let's come into this place if this point came. Okay. Which data center we have to choose it. Okay. I will come up. Not into this sheet. Okay. In the cloud computing. Just give me a moment, please.
Sure.
Okay, not here. When we are talking about the global infrastructure, okay, we are talking which data center we have to choose. I am giving one link. I am showing the PPT. The reason is everyone has to understand that part. Okay, here. Okay, if I'm talking about explicitly for AWS, I'm opening this link. What this link says, there are multiple data centers are there. I'm hitting this URL or I'm pinging to all the data center from the current location. And I will get a latency that which data center is nearest or fastest for me, so that I will host my website I will host my infra in that particular place. You can see here at this point, I'm getting a response 87 milliseconds from the Singapore. Anything is smaller? No. I think Singapore is the best choice for me from this place. Agree?
Yeah, I completely got it. Thank you so much. Because of the latency, we were considering about the data center. Exactly. I got your point.
Okay. See, if we will again hit it, you can see here at this point, I'm getting a response faster from the Jarka. So what we will do it, we will hit 5 times. We will take an average. Where is the best data, where we are getting the fastest latency, and we will choose that particular data center for our production environment. Not only for AWS, yes. Same thing for Azure also. Yes, we can go, because I'm teaching a general cloud, right? I'm not teaching any particular cloud to you. Okay. Here you can see here US state, lot of things, lots of different data centers are. I'm hitting to every data center at this point in the real time. Anyone from outside India here? Can I give this link to you? You can also hit it and you can check it, please. Control C, I'm giving this point here. Okay. You can also hit and you will get
to please share 3 links. AWS.
Yep. I'm giving all the links. No worries. Everything for you guys only. Okay. And you are getting, see, we are getting a response from the different data center, and he is telling US West 2 is giving 62 millisecond for me, and I'm getting some more response from India as well, like this. At this point, I can say that India is giving a good response, as well as US region is also giving a good response to me. So I can host my website into the US region, or I can choose a India region, anything. But I will never choose the South Africa region, because that's a worst from my current location. Agree?
Agree.
Right?
Completely
I
agree.
will never choose the Brazil, because otherwise my customer will not be happy with me that, sir, your website servers are worst. They are not performing any activity. Okay, because latency is very high. No worries, guys. I will take care of everything. Okay, just bear with me for some couple of minutes. You will get your all answers. Okay, when I'm talking about the global infrastructure, as per our requirement, we can choose servers, services, resources on the cloud as per the demand, and we can scale as per requirement. Okay, and AWS is a revolution over the time. If I am talking about revolution over a time, when the AWS journey has started, okay, when the AWS journey has started, it's around 20 years back. And in the 2004, very first service, SQS came into the picture. And at this point, within the duration of 16 years, 200 new services have been developed. Okay, that's why I'm telling it's a revolution over the time. Free to join. Yes, AWS account is free of cost. Everyone can create an account and use it for the next 12 months completely free. AWS free tier has a limit for every account. For the next 12 months, we can freely learn the things of all the services. Okay, and in future also it will be free. I will teach, you don't have to worry. Okay, in future also it will be always free if we are using the things from the free tier. Okay, what is the limit? All the limits has been mentioned into this place. Means you can say that 750 hours of EC2 you can create, 5 GB till S3 you can use it. Like that, every resource has some particular limit. We will use the thing into the limit, and it will be always free. Okay, and whatever the service we are going to learn, I will explain you the particular service details as well, so that you will be aware about the things in a free way as well, into the real time as well. Okay, cool. And it's a collection of remote computing services, web services, and everything into a single platform that is provided by the Amazon for us into a service, AWS. Cool. Now, very simple question. If I will ask with you, what is DevOps? Very simple. I need an answer. What is DevOps? Jay Balan, can you raise your hand down, please?
I'm also trying to figure it out. What is DevOps? Since morning, the lecture is start. But what I understand is Dev stand for development regarding, which is related to development, and Ops for operations. Like every company having some development team and some operations team which can handle or operate the entire departments. So DevOps is something like that, which we can with the help of DevOps, there may be lots of tool for development, and there are some lots of tool which are used for operations.
Haji, your understanding is very clear, very good. Okay, I don't know you know the things or not, but you are giving the very good.
No, obviously I actually heard about the DevOps lots of time, because I am an IT graduate. So I heard because right now it's in training as a like big data, data science, DevOps, Kubernetes. I heard, but I'm honestly speaking, and first time I understood what is DevOps. Okay, but cool. You said today, that I understood.
Today you will understand in a very better way. Okay.
Okay, yeah,
cool. Chalo, that's nice. Guys, Haji has given the very correct answer. I accepted that. Okay, what exactly it is? When the developers, okay, when the multiple teams work together, development, QA, and operation teams, okay, they work into the development of any software, right? They are developing the software, and their process also there. And if their process of software development, quality analysis, operation, every team is a separate team, they are doing their work. And if all the work will be into the sync, into a faster way with the automation, is achieved with the help of DevOps team. Means some people from a development come into the DevOps activity. Some people from a QA knowledge, they are coming into the DevOps team. Some people from the operation team with their operation knowledge coming into the DevOps team, and all these three teams working in a sync. Okay, in a faster way with the help of automated tool. That team is known as DevOps team. Okay, means my answer, anyone from the development, QA, operation, or outside world people, non-technical people also can come into the DevOps, because you don't have to be expertise into the coding, never. You don't have to be expertise into the operation, never, because it's a small part for you. Okay, and you have to bring the things with the help of automation tools, and that I'm going to teach to you. Means I'm taking some development environment students, I'm taking some QA, I'm taking some operation people, some non-technical people. I will teach the things from the wider way, and you will become a DevOps engineer. Okay, cool. Why the DevOps team is required? When the developers are there, they are writing their code. Okay, they created a code, they, with the help of some packaging tool, they package it, they make a build. Guys, everyone agree with my point? Developers writing the code with the help of packaging tool Maven, and they created a package. Is that agree? You are agree with my point?
Yes.
As soon as this package has been created, for the deployment purpose, they given to the operation team. Operation people run the command which developer has given. They run that command and they deploy it into the environment, and it's get breaked. Now this package is not working. Whose responsibility is to fix that? Operation people, because it's an operation production environment. Yes or no?
No. Basically, if
Sir, if
there is a yes.
Go ahead. Yeah, Ajay, go ahead. Haji, go ahead. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ajay, would you like to continue? Please continue. I will unmute myself.
No, just continue. No? Like what
Ajay,
my point
continue,
is
please.
like
Ajay,
that
continue.
should be responsible for in the developers only, right? Because the package will be developing for in the developers only.
A developer will say, I have already done my work. My work is writing a code. I have done with my work.
But we don't know.
And after that, the testers will be like testings, and they will be giving some bugs and solve. So
see, testers will be work into the development environment only. They will say, we have tested the things, all looks good. That's why we have provided to the operation team. That's not a tester's job as well. Developer is telling, developer is telling, if I will only responsible into the operation team, then what operation people will do? Right? Why should
yes.
Monday to Friday, I write the code, I make a build, and do you want me to work on the Saturday, Sunday also into the deployment? I will not work 24/7, developer will say. And there will be a big fight. What operation people are telling, and operation people are telling it's their code. So it's their code, they have to deploy. No, it will never happen like that. And there is a big wall of confusion between these two teams. They will never sit together. They will never work together. Right? So this problem has to be fixed by the DevOps people. We DevOps people will write the automation, create a automation, so that operation people don't have to worry about this build, because they are not very much technical persons. If we will give the step, if any of the things wrong into the step, or everything a little bit difference into the environment, it may not work. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, agree, sir.
Right? Developer will not work on the weekend. Operation people did, sir, I'm not aware about the coding. How can I fix that? If all good, I will do the deployment. If it's not if it's not good, then you have to bring the developer again. And developer is telling Saturday, Sunday, I will not be available. I'm outside, I don't have the laptop, right? Then this wall of confusion happened. And that's why the automation of DevOps came into the picture. With the help of DevOps tools, with the help of automation, that tool will do that work. And if it's a tool work, it will never get failed, because everything has been tested earlier as well. Okay, means environment is very similar. Whatever is the dev environment, whatever is the operation environment, with the help of developer only, we will make the automation and everything will go very smoothly. Then these teams will never get fight, because developer has their own work, operation people has their own work. Fighting is not a work for them. Okay, and we will fix that all fightings with the help of tools and automation. That's the work of DevOps. Okay, I will give the answer. Okay, DevOps is a solution for the development and operational issues and problem. Whatever developer is facing the problem, not in a code, okay, in an environment or infrastructure wise, we will provide the solution. Operation people, whatever they will face a problem, not by sitting and all these things, any automation they require, we will provide the solution to them. That is known as DevOps. DevOps is a team for the communication, collaboration, and integration. They are not talking with each other. We are making the communication with everyone. We are making the integration with everyone because we are working in all the three environments. Okay, we are bringing everyone together in the automation perspective. Communication, collaboration, and integration is the DevOps work. What is the aim? Why the DevOps is coming into the picture? If you will see this cycle, build, test, release, deploy, operation, monitor, planning, it's a big cycle, right? Multiple teams. If every team is taking 2 weeks of time in coding, 1 week of building, 1 week of testing time, 1 week of release time, 1 week of deploy monitor time, then small changes with this process will take around 2 months to reach into the production environment. Agree? Because everyone need at least 1 week of time. Developer will not able to write the code over the night, right? They need a 2 weeks of time. Build team also need 1 week or 2-3 days of time. Testing team, they will say that, sir, we can't do the testing in 1 day. We need at least 1 week of time to do the proper testing, to do the good testing. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
1 month is required here. Then release, they will say that we will not able to release on Monday, right? If anything goes wrong, Monday to Friday will be waste. We will do the release when the less traffic will be there over the Saturday, Sunday. So we have to wait for 1 week. Then from one environment to another, it will get deployed into a QA environment. It will get deployed into the non-prod environment. Then it will get deployed into the production environment. 2-3 weeks will be required. They will set up the monitoring. 1 week of monitoring setup will be required, right? So it's a process of 3-4 months. With the help of DevOps automation tool, we will make this process very faster. That's the work of DevOps engineer. This process is running faster. That's why the DevOps is getting hired in every company. That's the role of DevOps. Okay. DevOps aim is shorten the software development lifecycle and produce or provide the continuous integration and continuous delivery with the high quality softwares, with the testing, with the activity happen with the help of tools. And yes, we are going to teach, I'm going to teach the same thing. DevOps is a streamlined solution for all the IT activities involved into the development and IT operation. That is again a DevOps work. Got my point? You got the answer? What is DevOps at this point? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Ganesh, Jyoti, Purva. Guys, I need an answer from everyone. Jyoti, you are good? At least type into the message and say yes, no. Lokesh?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Purva,
Yes, sir.
you understood my point? Vishnu, Vijay, cool. Sarika, Sanju,
Yes.
cool. Good. Guys, at least ask one question, please, here. Because you are not watching any YouTube video, at least ask one question. I need a one question here. Please, anyone? Apart from Vijay and Haji, I need a new person. Yes, Shiva.
Yeah, as we think that DevOps isn't fully automated, right?
Yes.
So we don't need to deploy any kind of a code. What are the tools we are using? We can directly deploy there.
Yeah,
using the
we
tool.
will set up, we will configure the tool on a scheduled time. It will perform the activity. That can be achieved with the help of Jenkins.
Yeah, got it.
Cool. I need one more question.
Sir,
Yes,
in the
yes.
previous case, you have said about the different regions will have different latency, so the speed will be different.
Yep, different
Accessing speed.
different data centers. See, these are the different data centers into the different location, right? I'm hitting from the Bangalore location, and there may be chances I can reach faster to the some country like Singapore before Mumbai. Okay, I'm getting a better connectivity from Singapore then Mumbai. That is practically possible. And here's the answer, the same thing.
So according to that, we have to select the region.
Yes, obviously, yes.
Is there any chance of we can make it globally equally, like anywhere we can access the same speed?
No, it's not possible. There is no location in the world that you will reach to that country, every country from this place, and it will be very faster. No, it will be, latency will be always different. It's an
Okay,
internet
we
connection.
cannot make it globally equally.
You have to use the high availability. You can use the multiple softwares, multiple servers into different places, and you have to put a load balancer, come into the load balancer, then it will happen. That can be achievable. That is a
It is
CDN
more
concept.
it is complex and it is costly.
It is
right?
complex and it is costly. And like a single website, very small website kind of thing, we are not doing it. No, very less people. You can say that Amazon is a big company, right? Amazon.in is a different for the Indian people. Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Amazon.com is a different for the global people. Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Amazon.uk for the UK people. Amazon for Australia for the Australian people. Means they are also doing the separate region-wise deployments. Applications are running on a different. See, Amazon.com and Amazon.com. Everything is the same, but these are the different websites. You can choose if I will choose any of the country particular location, then it will get changed to the Amazon.in for me.
Okay. Okay.
If Amazon is not doing, we can't do it, right? Yeah. Okay. Amazon.uk is not there, but yeah, Amazon.au or lot of other things are there. Yeah. You can say Amazon.au is available. Okay. Cool.
Sir, Vijay from this side.
Yeah, go ahead, Ajay Vijay.
Before AWS, I think these came before this 10 years, right? Before 10 years, how these things happened?
That also I will teach. You don't have to worry. Okay. That I'm going to teach into the data center classes. Okay. Here it is. It's a part of this journey only. See, here is a data center. Okay. Tomorrow you will get to know. No worries. Okay. See, the day 2 is a data center part. You will get to know about it. Before cloud, it was a data center. Which I got the answer.
Yeah, cool, sir. Yeah.
Everything is available. See, my syllabus is not over the night. I created in the last 8 years this syllabus. Everything is available. Okay. Whatever the DevOps engineers, I have to make a DevOps engineer. What all things are required, you can bring from anywhere and let me know. I will add it here as well. Okay. And it's already there into the proper order. Cool. To become an AWS, as soon as you will become an AWS engineer, the smallest certification is a Cloud Dictionary salary. Okay, if you will see here, you are getting this much annual salary with the minimum, very minimum AWS knowledge. Okay, that is a Cloud Dictionary. Okay, and DevOps engineers are making very high salary. Okay, if you will see here, how many openings? Guys, can anyone guess it into the normal way? How many openings will be available for the DevOps engineer?
I think in the industry currently 80% of the software is occupied by the DevOps itself.
Correct. Okay. And if you will see this link, I'm just going into the Naukri. Don't say what is Naukri.com. Okay. I will not able to give the answer. Okay. Naukri.com, everyone is aware. Okay. Single platform to get a job. You can see here around 41,000 openings are there only for AWS and DevOps keyword. Only for AWS and DevOps, 41,000 jobs are there, and including experience, including freshers as well. 2.5 years. Okay. 2 years. Okay. 3 years. Freshers also they are looking. Okay. Means there are lots of openings are available for everyone, and 41,000 openings are there. How many jobs you need, guys? How many jobs you need? One.
I think in this group we are having like 50 members.
30 members, guys. 30 members only. Okay. And everyone will get 1 or 2 jobs. That's more than enough. 1 for working, 1 for getting the counter offer, or 2 for counter offer. Okay. To make a good package. And there are 41,000 openings are there. Means there are lots of openings are there. You have to just give your best with your knowledge and you will get a job. Don't feel that freshers don't have. Yes, 2 years is a very minimum amount is required. And with my course, you can write everything. Okay. If you will open it, Guys, help me out. Tell me any of the job description. I will open it for experienced fresher, and you can cover up with my syllabus. Anything, guys, choose it. Not by Hari or not what we can say. Vijay will not choose, or one more person who is always talking. I need a new person. Any new person? New person, please. Guys, we are 20 people.
Pressure, sir, pressure.
Yeah, Jyoti. Can I take this one? Or which one you say? Choose anything, please.
1 year experience.
1 year, I'm not able to see into the home. Yeah, 1 year of experience of Kubernetes. Okay. But they're asking 9 years experience. Okay. I'm not able to see fresher at this point. Okay. I have to search it explicitly for fresher.
Sir, in general, for 1+, no openings will be there, sir. Minimum 2 years experience should be there.
No, it's not like that. Okay, there are openings are there. If you are trained, you can say that. Okay, they will hire you. Is that okay? My question is, can you choose any of the job here? I would like to cover up with my syllabus, that in my syllabus that all things are there or not. Any of the job.
Choose the 2+ experience.
2+1. Okay.
No, go for the higher experience so that we can get the maximum.
Yeah, anything is fine.
What a brilliant answer. High experience.
Okay, chalo. Let me choose the highest experience. 6 to 8. Is that fine? Or can I take more one? 3 to 8? Or can I take 5 to 10? Can I take this 5 to 10? Seabed is a big company.
No, okay, sir. Better 3 years. 3.
Yes, 8 to 10 is okay. Fine.
I already opened 2. No worries. Okay. See, this is 2 to 5 AWS DevOps Engineer. Okay. What exactly he is looking? EC2, VPC, IAM, security group. Okay. 4 primary things. Okay. Let's come to the syllabus. What they are expecting? EC2, VPC, IAM. EC2, I'm going to teach on the 10-day. IAM, I'm going to teach on 11-day. VPC, I'm going to teach on the day 17 here, and security group, it's already there into this group. Okay, groups roles and security group explicitly answer is also there. Yeah, see, security group here is that. Okay, on the day 12 means whatever they are expecting, I'm already covering with my that. Okay, ELB, NB, these are also there. S3, EBS, EFS. Check my syllabus. Okay, S3 is also there. EBS is also there in my syllabus. Okay, means I'm going to teach everything, whatever they are expecting. Chalo, let's go more deeper into it. They are looking CI/CD. Yes, we have a CI/CD. We have a separate project. You don't have to worry for that part. They are looking Ansible, Jenkins. Yes, we have these tools also. Okay, and they are looking for the Docker container, Kubernetes, Docker containers into AWS. AWS DevOps is plus. Okay, he is telling AWS DevOps is there, Docker Kubernetes. Okay, I am taking care of everything. Docker Kubernetes, I already told. AWS DevOps, that also will be my extra day. Okay, see here, AWS DevOps. If you need that, I'm taking care of that topic also. Okay, and you can come here. Primary skill, Jenkins, Ansible, Jenkins, Python, Linux, CI/CD, everything we are covering. Deploy also will take care. Excel release, I'm not using this software, but I will take care of release. I'm taking care of the shell. You can see here shell scripting is also there here. Bash and shell scripting. Shell scripting is also here. Means everything they're expecting from these people. Yes, everything is here. Plus, let's come to the 5 years. Okay. AWS, CI/CD, CM pipeline. Very simple, basic. Okay. CI/CD, CM is already there. Shell script. Yes, we have already there. AWS cloud knowledge internship, intermediate to expert level. Yes, if you will learn the AWS, yes, you will be aware about this thing. Jenkins, Docker, S3 bucket, EC2, all the things are in our script or in our course, and that's it. They are not, see, for experienced person, they are not asking much. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, for sure.
Right?
Yes,
if you want anything, I will take the bigger experience also. I'm going to the random page. Okay. Support, I don't want to go for support. Okay. Engineer, yes, 4 to 9 years. Okay. Or can we go for the big salary? Yeah. Okay. 17 lakh salary. Okay. We can go to the 17 lakh salary. Okay. You can see here everything is. They're asking AWS, EC2, VPC, S3. All the things are there. Docker, Ansible, Terraform is already there. Okay. NGINX, very first experience in NGINX. Okay. My first practical itself is NGNX. Okay. My second practical is NGNX. You can see here, come to. Where is that? NGINX. You can see here, NGINX. Okay. They are expecting NGINX. We have the NGINX itself. Okay. Very fast. Container automation, Docker, Ansible, Terraform, EC2, EBS, root, everything is there. They are asking some out there, or option is the Ansible or Chef or Puppet. I'm teaching Ansible. Okay. This is simple English. They are taking care of only English. Technology, so they are looking that much only, and everything is already in our syllabus. Yes or no?
Sir, how much experience for this profile?
5 to 8.
Cool.
Right? You don't have to worry. If you will learn the things, you will able to achieve the things. Okay. And there are 40,000 jobs are there. You don't need a 40,000 jobs. You need only 1, 2, 5, 10, maximum 10, 20 for your complete career. Right?
So if you are applying for the experienced ones, will they consider like a experienced person or a fresher person?
Depends, whatever they want. Whatever your resume says, that only matters. And I will teach you how to write a resume, how to create a resume with this way. Okay. Let's come to batch 27. There are actual or dummy resumes are there. Okay. You can choose whatever if whatever is your experience level, you can choose accordingly. But I am giving you some big resumes also, 16-page resume. You can pick something from this resume and you have to write it. Sample resume 1 for around 3 years experience. Okay. How to create it, how to create a good resume. I will take care of everything. Okay. Project 2, multiple, resume 2. Okay. Where all the theory will be written. Resume 3. There are lots of resumes I am providing to you. Okay. We have to just pick the correct keyword, whatever you liked it. Okay. You have to put it in your resume and you will get a good calls. That's my responsibility. I will help you out until you will get 4 or 5 calls in a day. Then you will say that, sir, we are getting enough calls. Now we don't need it. Okay. I will make your Naukri profile like that. Cool. Okay. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Good. Yeah. And let's come here. Some more things. Let me close this. Okay. And average salary of DevOps engineer is also very high. Okay. You can see here, there are lots of big salaries are coming only for the DevOps engineer. Don't trust me. Go to the Stack Overflow. Guys, anyone hear about this website, Stack Overflow?
Yeah, sir. I will be there 24 hours in a day.
Yes, this is the website where we will get all the solutions. All the developers, technically persons are available into this website. They have launched one article. They have created one article. Okay, that says the salary according to their regions and according to that. And in that, you saw that United States, the DevOps engineer salary is higher than data science, data engineers, backend, or everyone. DevOps engineer salary is higher into the US in all the profiles. Same thing in UK, DevOps engineer's salary is higher than data engineer, data science, backend, and everything. In India also, DevOps engineer salary is higher than any other profile. In Germany also, in the same like that.
Sir, I had a question.
Go ahead.
Until now, my myth is full stack developer will be having a high package. But after seeing this graph, DevOps is having more package. Why, sir?
Not why. They are technology people. We are the technology. The cloud is the technology. We are getting the salary. And I'm not telling this point. Stack Overflow is telling that point. If I will say that, you will not trust, right? Stack Overflow is telling the salary in 2019.
Smart answer.
Agree? Haji, I am not telling anything from my side, right?
that's why I said a smart answer. It's a very good, like you said about that.
If I will tell, you will not trust me, right?
Maybe you can lie, but these things will not lie, right?
Correct.
Exactly.
Because see, I want you to take into, I want you to take into the DevOps, right? But why? The reason is, I'm not telling this point simple. It is telling by Naukri.com. It is telling by StackOverflow.com. Cool.
Exactly.
You can put
Yes,
the
sir.
filter in Naukri.com also and try to search that. You will get a highest salary in Naukri itself. Cool. Okay. And another answer. Why you have to learn or why you have to come into this profile for in 2022 or 2023. Anyone can learn DevOps. Yes, because you are coming from the different profile. We will teach you everything and you will become a DevOps engineer. Easy to get a job, faster career growth, shortened development life cycle, fewer software failure, because everything you are doing with the help of tools. Salary, highest salary across the IT job. Yes. And again, I am not telling this thing. These articles are telling. Okay. Means this article is published in a medium. Top 5 reasons to learn DevOps is anyone can become a DevOps engineer. Okay. Anyone can learn the DevOps and become it. Easy to get a job. Faster career growth. Your career growth will be very faster. Shortened development life cycle. If everything is happening with the help of tool, yes, cycle will be faster. Fewer software failure, because everything is happening with the help of tool, so failure rate will be very less. Yes. And this all things is written by the Medium article, or some other institutes also writing the very same. Anyone can come learn DevOps. Easy to learn and get a job. Faster career growth. Same points. Okay. That's why I'm telling there are lots of openings are there in DevOps and you can come very easily. Another point, if you have any question, feel free to reach out to me anytime. You can send a mail to this email ID, vikas@bjsub.com. Also, you can send a mail to me, vikas@clouddevopshub.com. Here is my mobile number. My mobile number is already available in the website as well. You can call me, ping me anytime. The message will come to me.
So Python and Java is necessary for this?
Java is not necessary, nothing required. Python, if you want to bring more package, okay, you become a DevOps engineer with the 20 lakh package, you want a 25 package, right? Then somewhere in the Naukri profile, you may see the Python will also be required. They are not asking, but somewhere you may see that some scripting knowledge is required. That time, if you need a good package, then Python will be required. And I will take care of that part. The reason is I don't want to make a developer. Okay. I will not teach the things that Python developers do. I will teach the thing automation related to the Python, means Python for the DevOps, Python introduction, installation, binary libraries, modules related things, plus very important thing, that is Python with Boto. Anyone hear this keyword Boto? BOTO, Boto 3? No? Then I'm going to teach this Boto 3. What exactly the Boto 3 is? What is the purpose? Yeah, it's an integration between Python and AWS. Means how the AWS and Python will work together with the help of this tool. And I'm going to teach you. I don't want to teach the coding, never ever. I'm going to teach this integration so that with the help of Python code, ready-made things are available. You can make the things into the AWS account with the help of Boto. That we have to learn it. You don't have to learn the Python, Java functions and all these things. No, that's a developer work. Yes or no? Agree? Who has asked the question? Jyoti, right? Jyoti, you are good?
Yes, sir. I'm good.
Cool. Please, any question till now, what we have discussed?
Sir, Vijay from this side, you said Splunk, right? What is the use of Splunk? What is the tool actually? I don't know.
You don't know? Chalo. See, with the help of Splunk, you have created the infrastructure. You want to see the logs. If one machine logs are there, you can go and check the logs with the help of command. If 100 machines are there, is that possible? You can log into all the 100 machines and check the logs in single play in all the 100 machines. Practically, it will be very tough, right? What Splunk will do, all the 100 machines logs into the single place. That will be achieved with the help of Splunk. Is that okay?
So if we want to see all systems of logs, then we have to use Splunk, right?
Obviously, yes. Okay. This is my Splunk PPT. Okay. That is also available ready-made. You don't have to worry. If you need it, I can give it to you. What Splunk come with this leave it. Okay. Explore caves. Okay, the English meaning of Splunk is explore cave, but in our IT, explore the logs from different servers. If you will see this, okay, multiple different places are there. With the help of Splunk, everything will come into the single place. That is the work of Splunk. Is that okay?
In which category it will place, sir? Actually, this Splunk?
Monitoring. It's a monitoring category. It's a monitoring category. If you will see here, after into the monitoring Prometheus and Grafana, then I'm taking care of Splunk. And guys, Splunk is providing a free global certification also. If my students required a free global certification without any charges, I will help him out to get the free global certification from the Splunk company as well. Okay, that will be a big boom in your resume. If you don't have any global certification, with the help of Splunk, we can get the free global certification as well, and you can write in your resume. Cool, Vijay, very good point. You reached to the right place. You helped me out to reach into this point. I was not speaking.
Correct.
Cool, good.
Shell scripting also comes under Python, right?
It's not come into the Python. Shell scripting is an advanced level of Linux. Advanced level of Linux.
Okay.
We will do the practical. We will learn the practicals into the Linux environment with the help of Linux command into the shell scripting day. That is a 46 day. Here also, you don't have to do the coding. Here, you will combine Linux command and you will write a code. Okay, that I will teach. You don't have to worry. Non-technical person can also teach. Learn this part. Okay.
So we need here the knowledge testing also.
No, testing is not required. You are not become a tester. I don't want to make a tester. I want to make a DevOps engineer. That's why I will teach all these tools. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Cool. Guys, see what happened, what we are doing it. If you will see, we in our group, there are every student is from the different environment, right? Some are from the development environment, some are from the testing environment. Someone is a 9-year experience into the administration activities, right? Who is that 9 years experience? Guys, please unmute. Who is that? Haji, or what is the name? I forgot it.
I think Shiva, right?
Who is that? He left it or he is available? 9 years person, please.
Hadoop guy.
Yeah, who is that Hadoop guy? I forgot the name. Chalo, let assume he joined my batch. Okay, he has a 9 years of experience. What he will bring some 15-minute presentation, whatever he is doing from the 9 years. Then you will also be little bit aware what exactly he did, right? So that you can speak in, you will get an idea about his profile as well. Let assume Vijay. Vijay, what you are doing at this point?
I am a support engineer, sir. Java.
Support engineer, right? So let Vijay is doing a support profile, working into the support profile from the last 3 years. If Vijay will give 15-minute presentation, what all things he's taking care in our classroom, then it will be addition point for you. You will get a little bit idea about the support profile as well. Yes or no? For the fresher or for the non-tech persons. Yes or no? See, Jyoti, you are a fresher.
Yes.
Jyoti, you are a fresher. If Vijay will give 15-minute presentation about the support role, at least you will get some points or some idea what exactly he was doing from the last 3 years. If Haji, whatever his profile he is doing work, okay, if he will give little bit about his profile, you will get a knowledge. Then only you can become a DevOps engineer. Jyoti, got my point?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Good. Yep. And guys, I have a lots of success story. I will open my WhatsApp. Okay, here is my WhatsApp. You can see here, batch 27. Lots of congratulations are already happening into this place. Okay, you can go to any of the batch, any of the place. If you will search the congratulations into my search box, where is it? CONGRA. Okay, you can see here. Leave this. Batch 27, congratulations everywhere. Batch 27. Monu, batch 25, cool man, congratulations. You want to see this person? Actually at hi sir, Zoom communication, IDFC, which one is better? Means he get an offer from both the companies. Okay, I was asking again, you are searching, means sometime back only he got an offer from some company and again he's joined. He's again searching it. Prasad. Okay, he's again. You decided, you achieve it. You can see in my every job, every place. See this person, Giriraj. Okay, many congratulations. I think 7th or 6th offer, right? Yes, sir. After Coforge, it's the 8th offer. This person get 8 offers in my journey. Okay, it's not a one-day journey. It's a very long journey for him. Okay, means from see, when he joined on January 21st on 2022. He sent his profile. I given his rating into the mock interview that you are 2 out of 5, less confidence, improve confidence, improve communication, multiple profile issue, deep knowledge in your profile is required. Okay, he's a support engineer. He agree. I got placed, and he after some couple of months, I got placed in the Coforge with package this one. Wow, good, Superman. Okay, sir, I haven't paid. See, he haven't paid the fees also. He's telling that, sir, I'm paying the fees again. Okay, in some couple of days. Okay, like that. Looks good, looks good. And he posted into the group as well, sir, I get a job, kind of thing. Okay, you can see here, not only this person, there are lots of, where is that? Everywhere you can see how many congratulations are there in which all groups. Okay, you can see batch 26 congratulations. Why this congratulation is happening? Hi all, I get one more offer today. This time the role DevOps engineer. Believe me guys, I got a salary hike more than 100%. Congratulations, thanks Shashank. Congratulations, and like that. You can see here. Hi guys, I got one more offer as a DevOps engineer, like that. And there are lots of offers already made in my all the batches. And you can see his videos, success stories also into the YouTube channel as well. Got my point? I'm just searching the keyword congratulations. If I will search with the keyword place, PLACED, okay. Batch, see the fresher got placed in Paytm. Okay. All place, leave it. Okay. Success story, all this success story where my students are getting placed. Okay. And you can see lot of students, okay, got placed into multiple companies. Okay. Riaz, I got placed in one company. See here. I got name is Cisco Technology, just informing you. Okay, superb. As a fresher, as a cloud engineer. Yes, as a fresher. He got a job. He's my batch 26 student. Lot of things. Sir, I got placed in TCS. Okay. If you will try seriously, you will place easily. Okay. Gotham, leave it. Okay. Now I got placed in Peopleware with 12 lakh package. Nagmani, I got placed in TCS. You can see a lot of students are getting placed in lots of companies. Guys, you are able to see my chats.
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, batch 28, Giriraj, first to get placed from your batch. Okay. Yeah, this is the first person. Okay. Like that. And you know, in one of the batch, I will tell you, I told to my students that until I will get a placement, I will not start my batch. Okay. That also happened. I forgot that. What is the keyword? How to search that? You can start next batch. Next. If I will search with the next, I will get a lot of things. Batch 25, I think. Let me open B25. B25 batch. Okay. New batch. Okay, I think. I'm starting new. No. Yeah, see here, this chat. Okay. Like this. See difference between. Okay, no. No. Shubham. Yeah, see. Hi Vikas sir, Ankit this side. I selected in Paytm as a fresher as a DevOps profile. I'm happy, excited to join Paytm soon. Okay, this is 5/10/2022. Okay, and after that, congratulations. And one person told it, result aa gaya Vikas, you can start a new batch soon. Means in that time I told it I will not start a new batch until my student will get placed. And students are commenting on me that yes, the result came. You can see here, superb, as a fresher you crack Paytm interview, really happy, and like that. And then I give an answer, yes, a lot of offers will come soon, but fresher got the job. That's make me more happy, right? If fresher will get a job, that's really good matters, right? And you can see experienced person will get a good package, very high package, but fresher will get a very job very soon, kind of thing. In the training duration only people get placed. Got it? Yes or no? Yes or no, at least.
Yes.
Brijal, you are here or not? You are listening? Brijal is not at all telling. Brijal is my best 27 student. I'm just searching anyone else is from the 27. No, only Brijal is here. Okay. There are lots of success stories. I will make a story for you as well very soon. Okay. Within 2 months, within 1 month of duration. Yes, you will be also into this place. Yep. Yep. Guys, any question? Anything?
Sir, I have 2 questions.
Go ahead with your 2 questions. Vijay, you? No, I'm not taking your questions. It's already lot of questions already covered up.
The first question is, what is SonarQube and what is its use?
Vijay, you want to learn everything in one day. That is practically not possible. Okay.
No, not learning,
Yes,
sir.
think,
At least what I want to know, not learning.
See, Vijay, the thing is, SonarQube, I don't want to take it at this point. The reason is it's a very particular for the development environment. Okay. That is also a DevOps tool, I agree, but that's more towards the DevSecOps part or the more improvement of the code. That's why the SonarQube is going to be used. Is that okay?
So you are saying that it is related to development side, right?
More into the development side, but yeah, kind of DevOps people also implement that. Okay. See, I will tell you what will happen. The code is written by the developer, right? What is the quality of the code can be checked with the help of SonarQube. Means in the 20 lines or 100 lines, is any repeated lines are there? Is the code quality is good or not? That has to be verified with the help of SonarQube tool. Is that okay?
It's like a quality tester then.
Quality testing tool for the code.
Okay.
For the code. Okay. Yeah. And I'm not taking your second question. I don't know. What is your second question? Okay. Guys, anyone else? I want to give the opportunity to other
Sir, the second question is in Jenkins, their pipelines are there, right?
Correct.
I was a non-technical guy. I don't know how to write those pipelines.
Okay.
How can I manage those pipelines? I don't know anything.
I will teach that. You don't have to worry. That's already in my syllabus. You can, if you will join me, here is the complete, I will teach all the pipelines. Okay. Job 1, job 2, job 3, job 4, and you will learn a lot of things related to pipeline. Here is the keyword pipeline if you need it. I will teach everything. You don't have to worry. You don't need a coding experience here.
Cool.
Okay.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but Vijay is always saying that I'm not technical person, but I would like to know. I would like to say that I am also not a technical person, but even what Vijay is asking, I'm completely understand. I didn't understand anything.
Correct.
If he is a non-technical person and he is asking such kind of question, then
sure.
what?
See, Vijay, we never meet. Okay. But I'm sure that he is trying to move into this profile from a long time. I can say this. Vijay, is that correct? Vijay, unmute and say something.
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat it again?
From how many months or years you are trying to come into the DevOps profile or cloud profile?
I am very much aggressive on this, sir. Actually, your presentation made me somewhat more stronger on this.
Correct. Okay. And you will be the strongest person after learning all these things. You don't have to worry. Okay. Trust me, you will learn a lot.
Sir, I would like to ask basic question like I would like to know about the job career path, about the like job designation and what would be, because I'm not like I'm an IT graduate.
That's already in my sheet. I will come up. No worries. It's here. Okay. It's here. I will take you into that also. No worries. In some couple
of. And the second thing, I would like to know about that, how much time it take to complete this session for today?
For today, we can wind up by before 1. Around 12, next 30 minutes, next 20 minutes, I will complete my part, and next 20 minutes, I will take the questions. Okay. By 1, we will wind up. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And yeah, cool. And guys, can we take a 5-minute break here if you want to go for a washroom, water, drinking water, or whatever you want? And then we will continue. Is that okay?
Sure.
Okay. Guys, let's take a 5-minute break. I'm opening a clock. Okay. 5 minutes is enough. Okay. Let's come back in 5 minutes, please. And we will continue our session from here only. Please be back in 5 minutes. Where is my clock? Guys, I'm back. What about you? Ajay, Akshita, Apurva, Jyoti.
Yes, sir.
Yep, cool. G, Hajmi, Jyoti, Purva, all are back.
Yes, sir.
Cool, good. Yeah. Guys, any question? Let's take one more question at this point. If someone is still not yet come back, let's take one more question, please. Any question, any general question?
Sir, Apurva Saha speaking.
Yeah, Purva Shah, go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, Purva, go ahead. What's your question?
Hello.
Apurva, yeah, we are not able to hear you properly.
Actually, sir, मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ. After complete duration 3-month training, can I placed any multinational company?
You will get placed in lot of companies.
Okay, sir. No, sir. I have just one question because already many of students have some question are asked. So I.
Correct. See, you will get lot of offers. Just थोड़ा सा brief बताओ what you are doing right now. What's your
Actually मैं बीटेक कंप्लीट किया हूँ 2020 में. तो आफ्टर बीटेक के बाद मेरा कॉलेज में जो प्लेसमेंट दिया है वो 15,000 का प्लेसमेंट दिया था. सो गुजरात में प्लांट इंचार्ज ऑपरेशन में
from electrical background. You are from the electrical background and you want to come into the IT, right?
Yes sir.
Okay, cool.
और मेरा आईटी में सर मेरा और एक चीज है. आईटी में मेरा सीसीएनए करा हूँ मैं. सीसीएनए और विंडोज सर्वर. तो नेटवर्किंग में करा हूँ. तो नेटवर्किंग करने के बाद सर लोग ये बोल रहा था कि क्लाउड में अगर तुम घुस सकते हो इस फील्ड में क्लाउड में तो बहुत बढ़िया अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा. तो मैं बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी हूँ क्योंकि मेरा एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म मिला क्लाउड में, क्लाउड डेवऑप्स में कंपनी में. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. तो इसलिए मेरा क्वेश्चन था सर कि सब लोग का एक ही क्वेश्चन है कि आप प्लेसमेंट मिलेगा इस कंप्लीट के बाद, ट्रेनिंग के बाद.
Apurva, placement it depends on you as well. I can give you the knowledge. Okay, I can give you the opportunities. Okay, you have to give the interview. You have to crack the interview, and you will get a job for sure.
Okay.
That's okay. See, I can't give you the placement. Okay, I can guide you for the placement, and I will help you out until you will get a placement.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
But learning will be very real here, and you will get a lots of calls from me or from my group.
Okay, sir.
What you need, see, to get a job, what you need, first you have a learning. Second, you need a genuine calls, right? And if you learn the things, you given the mock interview, you will able to give the interviews as well. As soon as you will give the interview, you will get a job. I can take this real example also. If you will see, for your answer, I have one thing I can say. Let's assume I can take a simple answer. Okay. I'm taking a mock interview. As soon as I will take a mock interview of yours, I will let you know that, yes, you are very much capable. You are going into the right direction. See here, I can say that I took this all mock interviews from the batch 27. And here I mentioned it 4-year experience. Soon he will get an offer. I made a date. I took an interview on 28 September 2022. Okay. And I told that this Utkarsh person will get an offer very soon. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And you saw that I told this point is 28 September. And when he is informing into the group, he is informing some couple of days back only that he get an offer, multiple offers, right? This same Utkarsh person, right? As soon as you will give the mock interview, I will get to know that when you are going to be get placed. If you are going into the wrong direction, I will help you out that no, you are not giving the correct answers. Your answers are not complete. You have to give more answers. Okay. You have to give a better answer. And as soon as your rating will be good, you will be very close to get a job. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely.
It means it's a journey. If you will say that, sir, if I'll do this job, I will pay the fees and I will get a job. No, I will say no. I will not take that type of candidates also. Okay. That's who is only looking for a job. The reason is because we are not providing a job. We are providing the knowledge. You can get the knowledge. You will get the real-time exposure to the real world. And then you will get a good referrals from us. And if you will get this much thing, you will get a job for sure.
Yes, sir.
Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Good. Yeah. Guys, anyone
सर
have
ये
any
ट्रेनिंग Saturday और Sunday होगा कि 3
it's a
months या
it's a Monday to Friday. If it will be a Saturday, Sunday, it will be take 3, 4, 5, 5 months. Okay, because my syllabus is very big.
Okay.
I have to take 1.5 hours with the technical things every day. Then only we can cover up in 2.5 months.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's why I'm telling it's a learning batch, learning thing. You will learn a lot of things here. Cool. Okay. Chalo, let's come more deeper into the AWS only. Okay. When I'm talking about the AWS, which you are going to learn, which has been launched in 2002, means around 20 years back in 2023, it will be a 21-year-old things which you are going to learn. Means I'm talking about this AWS platform. I'm talking about this platform. Okay. Means this platform is around 21 years old, which you are trying to learn the things. Okay. So don't be very late, please. Okay. And in 2003, 2004, the very first service, SQS service came into the picture. And this service is a queued service. I will explain. Means if you will go to the internet, if you will search the full form of SQS, you will get an answer. But if you will understand what does it mean, then you will get a real picture of this answer. Guys, can you give me the answer? What is SQS? Take the help from internet and give me the full form or give me the answer. What is SQS?
Simple queue services.
Simple queue services. What you understood with this English?
Line.
Can you repeat it?
Queue means line.
Queue means line. Correct. Yes. Means things are getting processed into the queue. Okay. Means let's take a real-time example. You all are working in one of the company, into the same company. Okay. Into the same team, same project. But everyone is getting the salary at a different time. Have you observed this part? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Why you are getting a salary on a different duration or different time on the same day, not exactly on the same time, because your company has processed the salary on a particular minute. And why you are getting a salary at different time? Because it is coming from the queue, different banks, different processes are running, and then it will get processed in your account. It will take a time. Same thing in this service also, thousands of mail, if I'm sending it, okay, at the particular time with the help of some tool. I think you all get my mails, but it's not like that everyone get a mail on the very same time. No, everyone is getting a mail in a little bit different duration. The reason is SMTP server will take a time and it will send a mail in some couple of duration. Okay, that's the queue service. If I'm talking a question with you, the EC2, most popular service, which has been launched in 2006, around 14 years back, most popular service EC2. What is the full form of EC2?
Elastic Cloud Compute.
Can you explain me the meaning of elastic compute? What is the meaning of elastic? What is the meaning of compute? Yes, on.
Elastic means
increase or decrease as per the requirement.
We can stitch.
We can stitch, correct. We can decrease. Compressing, correct. Yes. And what is the meaning of compute? The second keyword, compute. What is the meaning of compute?
It's related to computer.
Relevant to computer? No, this is not a better answer.
Sir, computer means servers.
Correct. But what is the meaning? What is the meaning? Elastic, so you can say stretch, right? Increase or decrease. I increase or decrease. Elastic.
Execute.
Yeah. What do you mean by compute? What do you mean by
integrating
compute means servers or machines?
Correct, servers or machine. But what is particular meaning of compute?
Execute.
Execute. No.
Execute process.
Integrating all the things into one place.
Okay. But I need a better answer. I need a better answer. What do you mean by compute?
Sir, would you repeat the question again?
Vijay, you have to listen the question every time, okay? Because every question is very important. What do you mean by compute? The EC2 full form is Elastic Compute Cloud. What do you mean by compute? My question is, what do you mean by compute? Go ahead. Try, please.
I think it is used for calculating.
Calculating, yeah, kind of correct, but I need an exact answer.
Number of computers used.
Number of computer use. Chalo, people are coming to the nearest, but the compute means
To achieve something.
okay, but the compute meaning is CPU and memory. Okay, whatever the resources are the full form of E, you will see a lot of services with the keyword E into the AWS. Okay, let me come to my AWS account. If you will see, EC2 has this keyword. Okay, and you will, if you will come to the category of all the services, okay, there are lots of services with the keyword E. Everywhere the E meaning is a elastic. Okay, you can see elastic file storage, elastic benchmark, elastic container, elastic. Wherever the E keyword is there means it is talking about stretching. The second keyword, I'm talking about the compute. Wherever the compute keyword is coming means he's talking about the CPU and memory, means he's providing a resource from the cloud, from the AWS, which has a CPU and memory. And EC2 is a virtual machine. Virtual machine is a combination of hardware where the CPU and memory is a very important part. In our laptop, CPU, memory, and motherboard is making a hardware of the laptop. Yes or no? That is the meaning of compute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will teach the things like this. You will remember the things in a very deeper way. Okay. Cool. Let's come. When the EC2 came, means people, AWS created a virtual machine. Okay. AWS created a virtual machine in 2006, but people are not adopting it. The reason behind it, people are very much worried about the security. So AWS has bring the new tool that is known as Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, your own private network where you can define your security rules. In 2009, this VPC came into the picture, and then people are getting trust that this virtual machine is very secure. Companies are started adopting it. And then this AWS become very popular. In this 2016, revenue of 10 billion has been generated, and everyone started learning AWS. Everyone started learning AWS in 2016 onwards. And in 2017, in this duration of 10 years, AWS has reached out to the 100 services. And in some couple of years back in 2022, at this point, 200 different services are available in AWS, and the list of 200 services is here. As soon as you will click here, all the 200 services names or details is available into this place. Okay. Now the next question with me, why 200 services has been created? What is the use? Why AWS is creating, started with 1 service, 2 service, 3 service, and it reached 100 and now 200 services. Why? Guys, give me the answer.
For different sectors, different services required.
Different sectors, different requirements, different services. Yes, your answer is good. What else? Anyone else?
Upgradation.
Upgradation. Okay, chalo, cool. Okay, but good. What else? I need one more answer, at least. Why this many services came into the picture? Guys, here fresher and experience will become same, and everyone will learn from me. Okay, if you are a fresher, don't worry that experienced person is also here. Experienced person, don't worry, fresher is also here, because everyone came here for the learning purpose. Okay, cool. The reason is, you can see here in the traditional approach, multiple tools or multiple hardwares are there which migrated by the service in AWS. Means you can see earlier DAS, SAS, NS type of storage devices are there. RDMS, relationship database management softwares are there, which has been migrated now to the RDS. Storage devices are been converted, has been migrated with the service S3. Yes, earlier on-premises servers was there, lot of servers was there, okay, where the racks or rooms was created, but now it has been migrated into the AMIs or into the AWS EC2 instances. Earlier, in some traditional time, networking, in my house also, you can see the router is there, right? Router, wires, pipes, and switches was there, okay, for the networking purpose. Now in AWS, it has been migrated into the new services kind of thing related to marketing, means related to networking. It's converted into ELB, into the VPC, and some more services. The traditional services become a software at this point, and AWS is providing this all services to us. Earlier, for the security, we have to be an administrative person, has to be available. Some firewalls we have to create it. Now also in AWS, Firewall has been converted into the security group. Administration person will get created into the IAM service. And all these traditional services become a software, and AWS is providing all the software with the different names and different services. And we are going to learn all these services in our complete course related to AWS. Is that okay? It makes sense? Ajay, Akshita, Haji, Jugal, Jyoti, all okay? All good? Digestible? Yes. Vijay, got the answer?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Cool. Okay. If I will ask some very basic questions, guys, with you, what do you mean by storage? What do you mean by storage? Very basic question. Freshers, anyone?
Sir, Apurva speaking.
Yeah, Purva, go ahead. What is storage?
Sir, storage is the free space where actually store the data for future purposes.
Correct. We can store a data. Which type of data? Object storage, right? It can be file, it can be movie, it can be anything. Earlier, we are storing this old data into a pen drive, hard disk, or SAS, DS type of devices. Now, if you want to store our data, we can use the service S3 and we can put it there. What is database? I need a very simple answer. What is database? What is database?
We store the data in the tabular form.
Correct. In the tabular form. Earlier, we are using RDMS, database management software, to create a tables, and we will store a data. Now we can create an Amazon RDS. RDS is again a full form, relation database management software. Okay. Again, we are getting a same software, but over the cloud in somewhere else machine. Servers, we are getting earlier, you can see this type of in the rooms, this type of racks are there. Okay, for the servers. Now servers means CPU memories are there. Now it has been converted into AMIs and EC2. That all things we are going to learn in our complete course. Guys, any question with this? Okay, manageable? Yes or no, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. And when I'm talking about the more services, okay, these services we are going to cover up in classes. We are giving the overview for this all services also in our classroom. Global infrastructure means the AWS has a multiple places data centers are there. We can, with a single click, we can connect which data center we have to connect. We are already aware about it. Networking related things also, yes, this router, switch, internet speed, bandwidth, LAN cables, that all things are also there into the AWS. I was asking the question, compute. What do you mean by compute? The compute who has a CPU and memory. This all resources in AWS required CPU and memory. Okay, so this all services which require CPU and memory, we are going to cover up. Some storage related services also we are going to cover up. Database related services also we are going to cover up. Application related services also we are going to cover up in our course, and some deployment as well as some administration related services also we are going to cover up in our course. These are the services which we have to learn to become a AWS or a DevOps engineer. Or if you will learn these all services, you will become an AWS engineer. But the problem is only learning AWS. The problem will happen that if they are telling that we don't have much budget in your company, they will say that we don't have much budget. You cannot, if you will create this 20 services for one application, the huge bill will come and the client is not ready to pay that much bill. So what they will say that, okay, bring some open source tool, bring some DevOps tool, and create them same service with the help of open source tool, and we will give a salary to you. That's why DevOps engineer bringing the open source tool and they are getting all the salary, which the rent is supposed to be go to these services. And some companies are using these services. Some companies or most of the companies are using the DevOps tool, or that tool has to be installed into the cloud. Make sense? Yes or no?
Sir, this last point I did not understand, sir. How these DevOps tools are integrating with this?
DevOps tool means, let us assume, monitoring tool. Okay, let's take an example. You asked the question, Splunk, right? Same service is available in AWS as a CloudWatch, but every company is not using a CloudWatch, but most of the companies are using Splunk as well as Prometheus Grafana. Why? The reason is they are using the open source tool free to available into the market. If something is freely available, why you have to give the rent for everyday uses to the AWS? Agree?
So whatever these things, these will be same in DevOps also?
Yes, this not everything will be same, but some things like AWS CloudWatch, we will get a monitoring tool like Splunk is available free of cost into the market. Okay.
Okay, sir. Rather than using this, we will use that for free
We will
services,
use the
open
open
source.
source tool. We will use the open source.
Oh,
That's
wow.
why the combination of AWS and DevOps is required. Only AWS is not very much helpful. Only DevOps is not helpful. Only combination of both will be always helpful. And you will get a good package with the combination of AWS and DevOps. Cool. Yep. And
Cool, sir.
yeah, these all different services, names or details I'm providing. At this point, I'm just providing a very high level answers. We will go in a deep for every service. Okay. For each and every service, we will go very deep. Someone who feel that, sir, I have a very high experience. I need a 25 lakh package, 30 lakh package, or more than 30 lakh package. What is required? Why? How my training will be helpful for them? You can go to this white papers. Guys, what is white paper? What is white paper? Anyone knows what is white paper?
Maybe publications.
Public papers, okay, or source of truth, where the truth has been written. So I'm providing this PDFs, okay. This is a PDF related to AWS overview. All the AWS services details are available, which published by AWS itself. All the services details are available here. All the services details in a 85 page basics are there. If you know that much basic, you can write 5 years of experience, 6-year experience, 10 years of experience in your resume. You have to be expertise in 10 or 20 services. And if you are aware about some more services, it's more than enough for you. Same way, architecture related thing. Yes, I am providing the architecture related PDF, and we will follow the same, which is a 97 page is available into this place. Okay. Architecture related discussion, we will do it. Plus, we will discuss the best practice. In my full course, I will follow the best practices which AWS is telling, and we will cover up this part as well into our course, and it has been written into the AWS book itself. Okay. And like that, some storage, backups, recovery, disaster recovery kind of thing will also come. If you have 8 or 10 years of experience, if you will learn this part, you will be into the very good shape. You will able to give the very good answer. Okay. These are the recovery or disaster related PDFs are there. Okay. Very small PDF, 26 page published by AWS, and all the things related to disaster will be written into this book. If you will read this book, if you need a 25 or 30 lakh package, okay, if you will read this book, you will be into very good shape. Make sense? Yes, no? Yes or no, please. Chalo, no worries. Guys, at least yes or no, something.
Yes, sir.
Cool, good. And after this, if you want to write a certification exam, yes, you can write the cloud functionality certification exam. I'm covering the 100% syllabus in my course for this, as well as on the architect level as well, cloud solution architect level as well. Most of the things are getting covered in my course. Okay, you can easily write within a course duration itself. You can write this exam. I will help you out with the dumps. I will help you out whatever you need. Okay, some more PDFs or PDF particular to the examination related things, I will help you out, and you can write that exam as well. Okay, but for this, at least 1 year of minimum experience will be required. You can't directly write the solution architect. First, you have to write the cloud dictionary with learning. Okay, and then within a 2023, you can write this exam solution architect also. I will help you out with the proper PDF with the proper dumps. Okay, so that you can easily crack this exam as well. Is that okay? Cool.
Yes.
Everyone,
Okay.
Mahesh, Sohan, Vishnu, Vijay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Cool, good, nice. Yeah. Yep, guys, that's it for today. If you have any question, you can feel free to ask with me. Yeah. And in the tomorrow session, what exactly our agenda is, we will cover up with the cloud, what we can say. We will start over the topic cloud computing as well as LiDAR.
Sir, timing.
Timing will be same. It's
Sir,
a
daily time duration.
it's a 10 a.m. IST for tomorrow as well. Over the weekend, we will make it 10 a.m. and on the regular time, it's a 8 a.m. IST batch time. Is that okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
And guys, we created one, what we can say, demo group for you all. You can join this group. It will be helpful for us to communicate easily. Okay. I'm just giving this link, okay, into the chat. If you will join this group, it will be easy. We can communicate that we have started our class, we have started our session. Is that good? I have provided the link into the chat. You can join it. Yep, one person has already joined it. Okay. Like that, if you will join it, it will be easy for us to communicate into the single place. Yes, no? Cool. And yeah, do you want?
Yes, sir, join.
Yeah. Can we take some more 15 minutes or 10 more minutes into the learning? Because we haven't learned much into the today's part.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, cool, good, nice. Okay, chalo. Let's come into our sheet. Okay. Let's come into the cloud computing part. Okay. Cool. Guys, everyone please join it. It will be helpful for you, helpful for us to communicate with you very easily. Okay, if you will be into one group. I can see only 3 students has joined. Okay, 3, 4. Cool, yeah. 10, around 10 has joined. Everyone please join that. It will be helpful for us. Okay, to communicate with you. I just pasted the group link again into the chat. Cool. Yeah. Chalo, let me give one scenario to you. Okay. I'm giving one very simple scenario. Everyone see my website, right? I hope you all seen my website. Yes or no? Cloud DevOps Hub. Yes or no, please. Everyone seen this website?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If I will give a requirement to you, you have to create a similar kind of website from your side. How much duration or how much money will be required to create this type of website?
Maybe
One
1 month.
scenario within
1 month.
Okay, 1 month. Why you need 1 month? Can you give me the answer?
To create all that.
What all? What is all? You are a technical person, Jyoti, now. Okay, you have to give an answer. What all? Yes. You need a server, you need a code, you need a virtual machine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, not yes. Say. Guys, everyone help Jyoti, please. Jyoti is ready to create a website. Okay, one website. And she need a 1 month of time. I'm saying, okay, I will give you a 1 month time. But why you need 1 month time? You have to justify that.
Front end, back end.
Front end, back end. Okay. If it's
website hosting.
Okay, website hosting, HOSTING hosting will be required. Front end, back end, FRENT, front end, back end. Okay, BASICKEND. Yes. What else? Yep.
I think we need domain also.
Launch a
Yep.
web server.
You need a domain also. Yes. What else will be required?
Need to launch a web server.
Virtual machine also. Yes. What else?
We need a database mainly.
DB also. Okay. What else you need?
Install WordPress with Hostinger.
Yes, you need a hosting. You need a web server.
Build
also.
your website. Build your website architecture. Design your website with customizable time.
Correct. You will do the planning. Then you will purchase a domain. You will host a website. You will create a web server. You will write a code. and you will deploy the code into the virtual machine, right? You will deploy the code into the virtual machine and DB, and then you will monitor that application, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, everyone, please participate. It's a very interesting question, very simple and very interesting.
Yes.
Okay. And you may need a 1 month of time. Chalo, I'm ready to give. And how much will be the costing for all these things? How much will be the developer? They will charge you virtual machine, monitor, and all these things. How much will be the amount you required? First, tell me how many members are required to achieve this part.
Maybe 10 members.
10 members. Chalo. Okay. Guys, anyone want to deny? 10, 5. How many members will be required? Arey, say something, please participate. Lokesh, Rahul.
It's okay. 10 members is enough.
Chalo, okay, 10 members is enough. How much budget will be required? This 10 members will not work free of cost. You have to pay the salary. How much budget? Say something.
No. Not sure, sir.
Arey, at least approx. I don't need an exact number. Approx.
3 lakhs, 2
3
lakhs,
lakhs?
3 lakhs.
2, 3 lakhs. Anyone want to say something else?
1 lakh, 2 lakh minimum.
1 lakh means 10,000 rupees per month you will give to the engineers. They will not work for you. Right?
Yes, 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 sir.
I need a more budget. Yeah. How much?
Sir, at least you have to pay 10 lakhs, sir, because you are hiring 10 members and that too you are using cloud.
Correct. Okay. Chalo, 5 to 10 lakhs amount will be required. Right?
Just Linux, the basics, ಮೊನ್ನೆ attend ಆಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ class ಒಳಗೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳೋಣ ನೋಡು. Linux
Mahesh,
class one.
we don't, Mahesh, talk in English, please. I'm telling, I'm not telling, you guys are telling 1 month will be minimum required, 10 members will be required, and 5 to 10 lakh rupees budget will be required to achieve this part. Right? Cool. Yeah, I'm also agree. Chalo, let's, is that possible to create one static website? 10 lakh budget is a very high amount. Yes, it's a very high amount. If you will go into the data center approach, yes, that can be okay. You must have to spend that much amount. But if you are want to work into the cloud, you don't need that. Okay. Investment on the resources, you don't have to do it. Okay. And I'm going to teach all these things into the tomorrow class with this approach. Okay. What is that approach? Yep. We will create a website. Okay. We will go to any of the cloud provider. We will create a virtual machine in the tomorrow class. We will install a Docker. We will run the website and then we will download the code and I will run this all in front of you into the tomorrow session. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Guys, must join tomorrow session. We will learn a lot of things, theory plus practical. Okay. Today's class was mostly overview part, what we are doing, what we are going to learn. But tomorrow is an actual class where we will start the virtual machine part, where we will create an actual big demo. Okay. Plus we will start learning the Linux as well from the tomorrow session.
So without the DevOps tool, we can create a website, right?
It will be very difficult to create it.
Like using JavaScript.
Java code will be very tough. You need a web server, right? JVM kind of thing, right? You need a web server for that. And web server will be again a DevOps tool. Here I will use the web server is a nginx, which I will teach in tomorrow class and you will understand. And we will create one more thing into the tomorrow class, that is Windows 11. With the help of DevOps tool into the virtual machine, we will create the Windows 11 as well. Windows 11 emulator, which is written into the React language, and I'm going to develop in front of you. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah. Guys, that's it for today. If you have any question, feel free to ask, please.
Actually, sir, when I'm working in one of the technology, we are facing multiple issues related to the technology.
Okay.
If we are using ECW, we are getting more ECW issues while we are doing in the live project.
I agree.
But
Yes.
but if we don't have the experience on that, how do we will not get that much of errors in these practical sessions, right?
Correct. I agree. Yes.
How do we how to say that?
See, I will tell you, you are facing a problem. Maybe you don't have that much level of knowledge, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, exactly.
What to get a knowledge, the simple answer is you have to learn the theory, you have to do the practical on that, and then you will be a good into performing the activity that we are going to teach. Okay, means we are giving that 40% theory part, 60% practical with code, everything. You can see that tomorrow class, you will get to know most of the things.
Why? Because I am asking is, I saw a lot of videos in the YouTube. All are the scenario based questions.
This is also, I created a scenario here,
Yes,
right?
yes.
My
That's why,
see,
sir.
my first class, see, this is the second class. My started with the approach or scenario only. I created a scenario. Your company want to host a website like this. What is the solution? Right.
Yes, sir. That's why I'm clearing my
I'm
doubts.
taking care of all the scenarios. You don't have to worry. Okay. If you have any scenario, you face the problem, make the question and bring it in front of everyone. I will give the answer. I will give my best answer. Okay.
Sir, I have a question, Apurva sir.
Yeah, Purva, let him complete. Jablan, you are good? All okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thanks, sir.
Good. Yeah, Purva, go ahead. What's your question?
If I learn AWS cloud, so this is a required for coding language.
No, it's not a coding. It's a tool, services. How to use it, you have to just learn that part.
But how to develop, sir? How to develop?
See, DevOps is not a development. It's a development and operation combination. You have to learn the installation, management, or configuration of that tool. You don't have to do the coding. Coding is done by the developer. Developer will do the coding. Why you have to do the coding? Got it?
Hello.
Apurva, I am telling you don't have to do the coding. Developer will do the coding.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Bro, our responsibility is to configure and related DevOps and AWS, not development, Java development or C++ development. Those are not our things, right?
Correct. That's a developer job. If we can't eat the developer job. Developer has to write the code. They will write the code. They will give the code. We will make the things automatically and deploy into the production environment.
Yes, sir.
Our work.
Actually, one more doubt here.
So what is the job role or AWS?
AWS job role means you have to use the AWS services, which has been developed already by Amazon. You have to use it. That's the job role. Got it?
Sir, hello?
1 second. Is that complete? Your answer is, you got the answer?
Sir.
Yeah, Jal Banan. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Actually, in AWS and DevOps also, we are using automations.
Correct. Yes.
In automation script, we are using codings, right?
No.
YAML or Ansible, we are using.
Correct. That coding is very simple. It's not like a it's coding. Okay. It's just a commands.
Okay.
That are commands. And we are combining that command and it become a script.
Okay.
Okay.
If suppose we are using Python kind of things, we need programming knowledge, right?
See, why you are going into the Python? I told you the Python we are going to explain that is usable for the AWS with the help of Boto. Okay. That you have to learn it. Okay. You don't have to learn the coding, how to write a C program and like that. It's not required for you because you are not going to become a developer. You are going to become a DevOps engineer. So the DevOps automation related to the AWS that will be happen with the help of Boto that I'm going to teach to you.
Okay.
Because you are not going to eat developers' job. Developers will be there. They will write the code. You will do the automation in their code.
Okay, sir.
Cool. Good. What else?
So we do the end part, sir.
Yes, we will do the backend part, not the writing code.
Means so here we need a full stack developer also.
No, we don't need a full stack developer. We are a DevOps engineer. We will create infra, deployment, virtual machine, DB, monitor. We will create all these things. And we will not write a code, but we will take the code and we will deploy the code into the virtual machine.
So for writing that code, we need a developer, right?
The developer will be there na, in your company.
Okay.
Right? Developer will be there in your company. Why you are eating the developer job?
Okay, sir.
Cool. Good. Yep. What else? Lokesh. Any question? Rahul, Shubham.
Sir, we have some kind of services in cloud, right? IaaS, PaaS, some SaaS, like
Yes,
that.
I will teach everything. You don't have to worry. I will show you. SAS, PS, IAS, I will teach everything. You don't have to worry. You have to bear with me for tomorrow class.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Here is that cloud computing deployment model, service model. I will teach everything in the tomorrow class. Yep. What else? All good? Yes, no?
So here cloud and database both are same or different?
Both are different. Database is relational, storing data into the tables, that is known as database.
What about cloud?
Cloud is a different thing. I will explain you tomorrow. No worries.
Okay.
Cloud is this one. If you are accessing someone else's machine, it can be server, database, services, anything with the help of internet, that is known as cloud.
So we can access the data from the different server also.
Different locations. Yes.
Different location, different server.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I will take care of from the very basic, guys. I haven't teach anything related to the cloud. Okay. First, as soon as we will start the class, we will take care of what exactly the cloud is. I think that time Jyoti answer will be very clear. Jyoti will be into the good shape, right? Yes or no? Yeah. If you don't know anything, I will cover up everything. I will teach you all these things and I will give you the real knowledge, okay, with the IT as well. Cool? Yes or no? All good?
Sir, if as a fresher, I applied to the 2-3 years experience job profile as a 2-3 years experience, and as a fresher, I applied for this job. I know this tools out or this AWS tools. Can they hire me?
So in which year pass out you are?
2023.
23 pass out and you will say 3 years. Completely fake profile, man. Everyone will reject you.
No. As a profile, they need 2-3 years experience.
Who told? No, they all not always. You will never join a company with 2-3 years experience. You will join as a fresher only. You have to join the company as a fresher only, right? And you will say that I am trained into this part, right? Then only they will give you the good package.
Hello?
Got my point?
No, sir. I disconnected.
Okay. See, your question is you are 2023 pass out and you want to join as an experienced person. This is your question?
Yes, sir.
How can you put 3 years experience like that? Being a graduate, recently graduate, it is a. Are you making blind for all the people or what?
No, Sohan, no, you don't have to do it. You have to join as a fresher only. You can say that I'm trained and I know all these things. That is already in your resume and you will get a good package or good profile into the company. Otherwise, they will join. If let's assume you joined a big company, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, they will put you into the support profile. And if you learn this thing, you will be not into the support profile, you will be into the cloud profile from a day one. Got my answer?
So we are fresher with the knowledge. We have
with the knowledge, correct. Fresher
Trained.
Yes.
Trained. So we have done the real-time projects, like
correct.
we have practical knowledge. Like
yes. For Sohan, I can say whatever the projects I'm giving, you can show in your college as well that I did this part. Yes. For the freshers, I can say that if you have to show into the college, you can show this project as well. Otherwise, you will go somewhere, take it in 20,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees without knowledge. Here, you will get the same thing with the knowledge as well.
Okay.
Very good. Yep. I think, guys, that's it for today. Okay. Let's join our tomorrow session. Tomorrow is a completely learning on cloud computing, as well as the big picture of DevOps tool, which we are going to learn. Plus, we will start little bit of a Linux as well. Means we will start the Linux programming, Linux basics as well into the tomorrow part. We will cover up this part tomorrow, and then we will cover up into the Linux overview as well. Is that
Sir,
okay?
will you post that YouTube link? I want to see your previous videos.
Yep, definitely. If you will come to my website also, there is a third tab is a YouTube link, or very first is a learn more from our YouTube channel here. Is that okay?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Cool. Otherwise, I'm giving you the direct link. YouTube, Cloud DevOps or Control A, Control C. Yep, it's here. Okay, guys, that's it for today. You can message me on WhatsApp. I will help you out. Okay, but don't miss the tomorrow session, please. Don't miss the tomorrow session.
Okay, sir.
Cool. Same link and same timing.
Thank you, sir. It is very nice to interact with you.
Cool, cool. Yes, good, good. Thanks. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you. Yep.